Good morning, Tradeify Nation. Welcome back to another London session stream. I hope everyone's had an amazing weekend. It's Monday. Happy Monday, guys, by the way. It's Monday, April 27th. We're here. We're here to start the week fresh, hopefully with some banger trades to start the week off with some profits, as we love that. We had a green end to the week last week on Friday, so let's hope we pick up the week with the same momentum to begin this week. Now, I had a bit of a not so good weekend, so I'm going to preface to you all that I'm feeling a little flat. I was sick, nothing serious, just had like a bit of a random fever come over me, and a bit of a virus, but I'm fighting on. I'm here obviously because I'm not going to miss a stream. I love you guys, miss you guys over the weekend, so I'm here, but I'm just a little less energy as usual, but I do have a coffee in hand, so hopefully I can get a little bit more pumped as we go on, because I hope you guys are cozy, comfy from wherever you're tuning in. We've got 3 hours ahead of us to trade together, to chill, hang out as we normally do, and Nick will be joining us at the usual 3 a.m. Eastern or 8 a.m. UK London Open. So I'll do a quick good morning and then we'll get straight into the charts, because we are 1 minute away from Frankfurt Open, just about there. All right, so who have we got? Good morning, Heinz Steak. First here. Good morning, Southern Boy. Good morning, 1DA7B. Good morning, Tim Trades. Good morning, Leia. Leia, are you still in? Oh, okay. Leia says she's just leaving Florence now. So safe travels, Leia. We'll miss you today. Good morning, Wick Sweeper. Good morning, NDCB. I'm not going to read that one. It's just way too long. Good morning, Lucifer. Good morning, Shenlong. We got everyone here. Yoga Wong. Good morning, Adib. Good morning, Alex, Henry, Stereo JJ, Initial Maverick, Petros, Lawrence. Oh my gosh, these names are coming in way too quick. Andre's here. Hell yeah, everyone's here. Stelios, good morning. DJ Pala, Joey, Joanne. All right. Everyone is here. I'm going to get straight into it. As you guys know, this is NQ as usual. I'm going to take you through what I'm looking at in the charts, and then I'll let you know what I'm sort of expecting, what I would like to see, and then I'll take it over to you guys, and you can let me know if you're in trades already or if you're seeing anything different to me, and we'll get into it. All right, so for the moment, this is the daily, and we've literally had, yes, we did have 2 bearish closes on the daily in this huge price run that we've basically had since this initial leg started on the daily from, okay, why is my mouse not working? Okay, this was the 31st of March. So pretty much all of April, we've seen this bull run, right? And I have no idea when it's going to end. It's not our job to sort of predict when we're going to see a correction or when we're going to see some sort of reversal. It's just our position to just be in trades that we see fit. And right now, all I can see is just bulls. And I will continue to stay bullish on the daily until I see some sort of, I said to you guys last week, until we see some sort of major close below a swing low. So right now that Thursday's candle is a swing point, if we can close below there, then maybe I will start to shift bearish. But for now, I'm remaining bullish. We are continuing to see new all-time highs here on NQ. Right now, we've already swept out previous day's high. This is Friday's candle. If you look at Friday's candle, all we did was from the open go up. So if that's no indication that we are very strongly bullish over here on the NASDAQ, then I don't know what is, because we haven't seen that in a long time. So no bottom wick on the daily from Friday's candle, and then we have gone up to take out that previous day's high, make a new all-time high here, and then we have slowly seen a move back to that daily open from today. Daily open level is sitting at 27,403, and right now we're very close to retracing back to that level after taking out a new all-time high, which is sitting at 27,542. Some of you guys were joking about the 27,000 level last week, but here we are. We're at 27,000. Like, I think 30,000 is definitely a target this week. I don't know. Like, the sky's the limit right now. And NQ is just continuing to be so bullish right now. So yes, what I'm currently seeing is, yes, we've swept our previous day high. As you guys know, I trade with the 4 hour. So right now we've traded below previous 4 hours low to take out the previous 4 hours low has been now swept. So because of that, I'm actually in this in this session currently looking bullish. So I love that because high time frame, I am bullish. And to be intraday within the session bullish also works for me because we've come down into this 1 hour gap, which was untapped. We've now retraced this 1 hour gap that we created during the Asia session. And this would be a place of reversal for me to look from to take longs out of. Now, if we fail to respect the midpoint of this 1 hour gap and look like we're going to close below it, head to lower lows such as the Asia low or even this swing low from Sunday's open, then I will just stay out of it and I will show the market will just show me that it's a bit more bearish than I think it was going to be, and I will stay out. But for now, as long as we respect the midpoint of this 1 hour gap, then the 1 hour looks bullish to me, as does the 4 hour. And yeah, I will continue to look for my longs. So that's all from me. I will keep an eye on the 15-minute as well to see if we get a strong sweep and inversion to go along with it. But that is, yeah, that is what I'm eyeing up, guys. So I am looking for longs currently. Now I'm going to quickly, I just realized the chat wasn't open. How are we doing though, chat? How is everyone feeling about this week? We do have FOMC coming out Wednesday, so it is going to be probably major data release on Wednesday, so we could see some volatility there. That means we could also have a bit of a quiet Monday, Tuesday. Sling, why do you have black under your right eye? Black under my right eye? Do I? This is my right eye, guys. Maybe you mean this eye? I don't know. I can't see anything. If you guys are talking about this eye, that's my birthmark. We've talked about this on stream before. It's not a black eye. No one needs to worry. It's all good. That's funny. But yeah, if you're talking about this eye, that's my birthmark. Nasdaq spoke previous day high. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Spudnik said that he is a better gambler than you. When and where did he say this? He likes to think he is. I don't think so. Initial Maverick, yay, public holidays so I can catch the whole stream. Amazing. Where are you tuning in from, Maverick? Where are their public holidays? I love that. The RIAs, it's such a weird market, just keeps going higher and higher with no past data to even see where it would reject. Yeah, this is what it's like trading all-time highs. I mean, if you're new to trading, like I've only been trading for the past couple of years, and I think I've only traded all-time highs. Like it's not very common to be in these levels where we just have no price action to the left to anchor to, and it is difficult. I must say so myself. Because the way I like to trade anyway, like I think for breakout traders or for people who look for different signals in the markets, this could be really easy for them, but for me it's not, because I like to see everything to the left and use highs and FEGs and all that sort of fun stuff to let me know what I should be targeting. So I'm gonna actually label this the 1 hour gap so we do remember what the heck that box is. But yeah, Asia session did create quite the range, and I think that's got to do with more talks coming out that we could potentially be seeing a reopen of the strait, and maybe potentially Iran and Trump coming to some sort of deal. So it was 163 point pump pretty much from Asia Open, and we are coming down to. Basically, we've moved past the midpoint of Asia range, and we're still currently within that range. So let's just see if we can still get along at some point. I'm waiting right now for a 1 minute inversion. That would be my signal to take along, because we have had a sweep of the previous 15 minutes low and previous 4 hour low also. So yes. Who is pamming 6-7 right now? I'm gonna NDBC, I can't even say your full name. You're just a spammer, and I'm going to have to ban you for that. Sorry, not sorry. Going in a timeout. All right, he's gone. He's gone for a minute. Guys, we don't want spamming in here. It takes me long enough. It takes me long enough to read your comments, and then if I have like a whole bunch of 6-7s in there, I'm just not going to get to all of you. Yes, Roman says, Celine, I think Nick mentioned 390 likes to unlock him. He did, Roman. You're not wrong there. Chat, we do have a like count goal today. That means at 390 likes, I will do a giveaway. And that also means at 390 likes, I will let Nick out of his cage, and we can have Nick for a full 2 hours with us. I mean, if that's what you guys want. But I'm sure you guys want a giveaway, so we will 100% do that if you get the like goal. So 390 likes. Lol, don't mess with Celine today. I'm not playing today. I'm like not feeling 100%, so I just don't have my patience as I normally would. If any of that spamming, then no, we're not having it. Surab Yadav says Spud said it while reacting to your live stream when you googled the character Varang. What character Varang? He reacted on my request. I want you to see his reaction. I can send you the exact time. Sure, send this timestamp. I'll have a look. Why is Nick in a cage? Is he your pet? No, Nick is in a cage because he's the dictator around here. We call him the Nicktator. If you're new to the London stream, there's a co-host and we call him the Nicktator. And that is because, well, I think evidence speaks for itself, right, chat? He's the Nicktator because he's the dictator. Quacker, afternoon, Celine, new trading week is here. Yes, it is. We are excited. It's Monday and green week yesterday. Let's follow it with another green week. A few $100 off actually passing some evals, which maybe we can do that today on stream. But yeah, right now eyeing up this 1 minute gap. If we invert that, I will be looking at taking a long off there. But honestly, didn't expect us to retrace this deeply after such a strong bullish Asia session. We sort of made that pump, had a bit of consolidation. Now look like we are just like inverting that entire move. But I would like us to at least hold this 1 hour gap open, respect the midpoint if we're going to remain bullish here. I'm using that as my, as my anchor there. We did come down, this is the 4 hour chart. We did come down with this 4 hour candle. This was Sunday. That's Sunday open. So we did wick down, respect in this 4 hour gap, and had a nice bullish reaction out of there. So I don't expect us to come all the way back down into that gap when we've already had such a clean rejection of that 4 hour gap. So that's why I'm using the 1 hour, that untapped 1 hour that we've just sold off into, and using that as my signal to, or not a signal, but at least like a sign whether we're going to hold the 50% level here or whether we're going to close through it. Celine, are you the CEO of Tradeify? Guys, who's let that out? That was meant to be a secret. I don't know which one of you has exposed the secret, but yes, I'm the CEO around here. Little jokes. No, obviously not, guys. Shumi, you'll have to wait. Which day did you win? Because if you've won, say for example, last Monday, you need to wait another 2 business days. It's got to be 7 business days until we can get that account to you. So Celine is OG CEO. Guys, no, we obviously we know who's the CEO of Tradeify. By the way, did everyone see Miriam's exciting post? I hope you guys are all as excited as we are. I am pumped for the new Tradeify podcast. It's going to be amazing. I already know a few of the special guests that Miriam has interviewed and will be interviewing. It is very, very exciting. So make sure you subscribe to that and make sure you're ready for the first episode. It's going to be sick. Okay, Shumi, if you won on Monday, you'll have to wait. So it's only been 5 business days, so you'll have to wait another 2. So by Wednesday. If you still don't have a Wednesday, please make sure you message us or just join the chat and let me know, and I can send Brandon a message. What indicators are you using? Tommy Tran, I don't know if you're trolling because we laugh about this every stream because there's always someone who asks. But if it is a real question, I'm using 2 indicators right now. One is the sessions and key levels by Script Edge, and the second is just this my own indicator that I actually built with the PineScript developer just to visualize my trading setups. So yeah. Hey Celine, how are you? I'm good for 2. How are you? How is chat going? Guys, how was everyone's weekends? I'm sure everyone had a more exciting weekend than me. I honestly slept all weekend. It was so sad. My first weekend in Melbourne, and I was sick. And I'm pretty sure I know what I was sick from. Friday, I was out with some friends, sitting on a rooftop, and usually, like, it was quite a warm day, so I wasn't prepared for it to just completely change weather, and it was freezing, absolutely freezing, and I was sitting in the cold for like hours. So I'm pretty sure that's why I got sick. So lesson learned: Melbourne weather is not as warm as I expected. She has the annotator indicator. No. There is no such thing as the annotator indicator, chat. No such thing. Celine, I won 2 growth accounts last Tuesday, so that means I have to wait until Thursday this week. Okay, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 3 business days. And then another 4. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yes. Yes, you're right. Thursday this week. Jesse James, if you don't get an email by Thursday, then please reach out and we will shoot Brandon a message just to remind him to get that account to you. All those accounts, multiple accounts. That's exciting. Hey, Kyle, I'm good. Feeling a little flat, actually. I had this random sickness come over me over the weekend. Had a virus, I think. Had a fever. My muscles were killing. It was one of those, like, viruses where like your bones and everything just hurts. It was not fun, but I'm here. I'm fighting on. Do you trade gold? Not regularly. Let's actually have a look at gold. I have in the past traded it on stream a few times, and it has been good to me lately. So let's have a look at what gold's doing. We'll just remove these drawings. Gold is yet to sweep out previous day high or low. We did also have a similar session in Asia, as did NQ, just this strong move to the upside, and right now sitting in the middle of that Asia range still. I would preferably like to see a sweep of the previous 4-hour high or the low in order to determine where I think price is going to head next. But if we zoom out, it sort of looks like, yeah, we sort of look like we're still roughly in this range here on gold, like almost like a consolidation period. We sort of don't look like we're going higher or lower right now, just sort of stuck in this chop. So until we get a sweep of these sort of ranges, of this range, I'm sort of still a bit undecided on where gold could be heading. 4-hour looks like we were heading bearish. We did take out these lows here. Had a nice reaction from Friday, New York. Interesting. Not too sure. Let's wait. This 4-hour is still an inside candle, so I'd be waiting now for the 4-hour to do something before I get involved. Right now, nothing for me on gold. FX Peter, weekend was amazing. Yesterday in Poland, we raised over 70 million USD during the biggest live stream ever to fight cancer. What? A huge achievement. The entire nation was involved. That's amazing. What the hell? FX Peter, that is such, oh my gosh, 70 million USD. That will change so many lives. That's amazing. Wow. What a way to spend your weekend. Shout out to Poland. That's beautiful. Kepasful, good morning, Celine. How was it? Great week ahead. Oh, how goes it? Well, yeah, I was just saying to the chat, I am not 100%. So if my energy levels are a bit flatter today, guys, it's because I was terribly, terribly sick over the weekend. So I'm still recovering. But we good. I'm here. I'm fighting on. Where's Nick? Nick will arrive in roughly 45 minutes, but that's only if we get the like counts up. We need 390 likes, chat, for me to unlock him, and we don't do a giveaway, and we also don't unlock Nick. He stays locked away, the Nictator. All right, let me just see what we're at. Come on. 125 likes. Even I've left a like on there. So with roughly 340 of you watching, every one of you just goes on likes right now, we will roughly get there. Literally, if everyone just goes and smashes the like button, we won't be far off. 390 likes. What a way to start the day of seeing Celine's energy. This is like low energy for me, guys. I mean, maybe it's the coffee kicking in, but I really don't feel like my full 100% energy level. I don't know. I don't know. Hopefully I'll be back to normal tomorrow, but let's see if this can last for 3 hours. I hope it does. If I forgot to change my username, I would have asked about your indicator, lol. Lucifer, no. I would have known straight away. You troll too much. Morning, the business lens. Yes, AI bot is here. Chat, are we in any trades? Let me know. Right now, there's nothing for me to get involved with on either gold or NQ. We have had a sweep of that previous 15-minute low. So right now, as what I would look for is this 1 minute gap. That's currently that dark gray box. I'm just going to delete the 1 hour gap so we can see this a bit cleaner. So if this 1 minute, FEG just get inverted with a strong displaced move, I would be interested to take that as a long. But until then, I'll be waiting patiently. But that's the sweep, previous 15-minute low sweep. Also a sweep of the previous 4 hour low and a tap into this 1 hour bullish gap, respecting and holding that midpoint there. So that's all the reasoning I need. And then a strong displacement on the 1 minute for my execution. Andrea, waiting on gold is playing around the open, but I lean more bullish for the data sweep previous day high. Nice, Andrea. I also have no idea where gold is, what it's doing or what its plan is, because yeah, sort of just waiting for it to make a solid move first before I get involved. But we definitely see previous day high is the target. This move to the downside in the 15-minute could just be a bit of a pullback back into Asia's range that we did see here pump. And then, yeah, continue this sort of bullish momentum up into previous day high, sitting at 4757. Let's keep an eye on that. But for now, I've got to keep an eye on NQ here. An eye. Morning, Kiz. How are you? All right. Onod says 100 USD a way to get my payout on my 100k lightning. Let's go. Onod, was that 100k lightning that you won on stream? Or is this one you got yourself? That's amazing though. Hopefully we get there today. 100 US is not far, but in saying that, like, don't be forcing anything. It doesn't sound like a lot, like making 100 in a trade, but just don't force it because you're almost there. Justin's scared to take a long, not expecting a clean follow through till later. Potentially, Justin, like, I do know we are currently in this sort of bearish move on the 1 minute right now. For me to long in the middle of here is also longing in the middle of the Asia range, which I don't love. It's always lower probability if we haven't swept out the session's high or low. So I am keeping that in mind. It is also Monday, where do have Wednesday is a big news driver, FOMC. So potentially we're not going to get those clean follow throughs, but hey, I just got the signal there. So I am going to take the buy. Wants to tap me in. All right. There is a buy limit there. I do like it. I do know we are... oh, that price is wrong. Gotta limit that a little bit higher there. The close of that candle was 27.44525. Okay. All right, that is the idea there, being that we have swept out previous 15-minute low now. This is what the 15-minute chart is looking like. I would hope if we are to remain bullish, the 1 hour gap remains clear. This wick down into... all right, so I just got executed into that. And this wick is the buying wick that we get left behind. And we continue to pump here. So that's the idea. I have just been tapped into that, so I will set my limits. All right. I will take partials off at 1-to-1 because it is Monday. I'm not expecting the cleanest move. Let's see. And we are pre-London. So let's hope we get the volume, but there's every chance that this just dies off. All right, 27,462.50 is that 1-to-1 level. 462. All right, so taking partials off there, and then I do have a full target if we do make the full move back up towards Asia High. Okay. All right, we're in a trade, chat. Let's see how this goes. First trade of the week. Are not done. Payout time. All right, let's go. Let's go. Did you just take along? What was it? Amazing. Let's go. How much is the payout if I'm allowed to be nosy? We love to shout you out on stream. Amazing job. If anyone else has anything else for me to shout out, like payouts or passing evals or any of that stuff, we'd love to shout you out on Tradeify TV because we're so proud of everybody. Are you from Australia? Yes, Jokey. I am originally from Australia. I'm currently trading from Melbourne. Yes, back home for a little bit. But moving to Europe soon. Kiz says, sorry, I'm good. Sorry to hear you're not feeling 100%. Oh, thanks, Kiz. It's all good. I'm feeling a little bit better, but yeah, still not 100%. Sort of like a weird virus thingy. Just maybe I'm allergic to Melbourne. To me for wiping out. Nikolai says to me for wiping out around 8K in pounds last week because of Trump. Wiping out around 8K in pounds? Is that a good thing? Chat. What does it mean when you wipe out around 8K? I don't know if that's like a good thing that you're telling me or not. Nikolai, can you please explain? Andrea, I'm moving to Thessaloniki. When Asia low sweeps, what are some of your targets? Definitely Asia. If Asia high is still intact and we've had a sweep of Asia low, definitely the Asia high. But usually I also target the previous 4 hours high. So if we've had a sweep of Asia low, which would also normally align with the sweep of previous 4 hour low, then I definitely also target previous 4 hour high. So a bit of slow momentum here, chat. As we know, we are in the Frankfurt Open right now. It was also a 5-minute inversion, so I like that. These wicks we do like for the bulls because it shows us there is strong rejection around these levels and my stop loss is below there. So if we are to come all the way back down the below there, then maybe I'm just wrong and I'm happy with that. But we also had a 5-minute inversion, which is obviously stronger than just a 1-minute reaction. And yeah, playing the sweep of the 15 and the 4 hour, 1 hour gap. Let's see. Yes, Roman. Thanks for reminding them. All right, chat. Roman is not wrong. We need 390 likes for Nick to be activated and also to do a giveaway here today. So let me check where are we at. Where are we at with the likes? 184. Guys, there is 400 of you here right now. There's 400 of you. I literally, if we do 390 likes before Nick gets here, we'll do a giveaway. So far, we've had 100%. Like each and every time we've set a target before Nick gets here, we've hit it. And we've been able to do a giveaway. But until we hit the likes, I can't promise anything. Justine Wright. Just yes, that is my last name. Nice, Teresa. Going to kill your nerves. I wish you the best of luck during summer months. Yeah, I know. I'm excited for Europe. I'm very excited for that. Andrew, not keen on longs unless VWAP gets taken out. I am currently not trading with VWAP, so I have no idea where VWAP is. But for me and my signals and what I'm looking for, it is a clean long for me. The only thing is we do have this. I am currently trading in this 1 minute bearish trend right now. We have been just continuing to make lower lows here, lower lows. So yeah, I do know that I'm sort of against that trend we're seeing on the 1 minute, but also I only have a target of 1-to-1 to take partials and then I'll go break even on this. So looking for 17 points on this trade and let's see if we can get that. All right. Surab says skip to this time in the last NY session live stream 6:38:50. Spud called you a bad gambler. 7:10 he reacted to your live stream, was hilarious. He was happy that you got offended. What? Why is that guy always making fun? I'm gonna screenshot this, Rob. I'll go back and hear what they had to say. It sucks that I can't be there because those guys could be talking so many lies about me, and I'm not even there to defend myself. Ugh, whatever. But Nick is still a spud at the end of the day. Justin Tradeify CEO Celine, bottom ticked Frankfurt. Chat, we're not going with that. The CEO Celine thing is not going to stick. I am nowhere near CEO of Tradeify. Although I'd love to be, I'm not. How do you take partials? I'm just taking a contract off at 1-to-1. That's usually where I partial just to lock in profits, and then I'd go break even and let the rest run. And that was only something new that I discovered with my trading, taking partials. I used to be so strict on myself for taking the full profit if anything. So once it would go 1-to-1, I would actually go break even, but I wouldn't take anything off the table. But I started to see, and after journaling and looking at the forward tested results in my trading, that it would actually benefit me more if I was taking profit off and then letting the rest run for the full target. So at least taking something off the table. Good morning, Celine. Wondering how the process will be for you to move to Greece. I've seen so many Aussies have issues with getting residency in EU. Hope you will have an easy process. Frank, interesting question. Yes, it is difficult if you aren't obviously an EU citizen, but I'm able to get a specific visa, being a digital nomad and being able to work remotely. So it does help in that way. But yeah, it will be, fingers crossed, super smooth for me. Sudip, the win rate is around 60%. That is if you're taking 1-to-1s, and I have started to take more than that as of recent. So 1-to-1s is what I back tested, but now I start to take partials at 1-to-1 and let the rest run, and that has been game changing. Yeah, just being able to take more profits off, because some days I do see that price just runs to that previous 4 hours. So say I'm longing near Asia low, it usually will just go to the opposite side and take out Asia highs. So I just decided to take partials and just instead let the rest run. And it has been helping. Has been working out. Andre says, I think for reversal plays 1-to-1 R is fair, and for trend trades a nice hold can bring a nice bag. Oh yeah. Okay, there's a bit of a strong move to the downside. Bit of volume just came in. Potentially could be getting stopped out here, but we'll see. Oh wow. Well, Frankfurt just opened randomly. Good morning. We haven't had that volume all session, but there you go. I don't know if this is a bit of news, actually, considering that volume spike. Just going to make sure my stop is just a bit below that low to give it room. Okay. Okay. Stop is in place just below the previous 15-minute low, just in case it wants to wick me out. Wow. Does anyone know if there was a news drop just now? I don't know what that was. Nasty candle. Yeah. Oh, there we go. All right. Burned on that first trade, but that's all good. Close those orders. Oh, wait, now. That's interesting that it went all the way. The 15-minute must look crazy now. Yeah. Okay. 15 minutes still looking like it wants to make the full move of this whole Asia session range. But I will wait for another setup. It was a fair enough long for me in terms of what I'm looking for. I still want to see this 1 hour gap hold though. I didn't expect us to come all the way back down after we had quite the nasty rejection wick in there. But still could potentially get another long setup here, so I'm just waiting, keeping an eye on that. Don't you love a Monday? Hello, Germany. Switch right. Oh wow, big manipulation there. Hello, Germany. Yes, hello, Germany. Welcome. Nick, you only trade London? No, I trade London and New York. Only trade London on stream though. Don't know, but I just made 1100 on that drop. Very nice. Very nice. If you added VWAP, you would have been in a better position now. Let's have a look. Where's VWAP? Guys, I've never backtested or traded VWAP. But I see you guys shorting VWAP there. Nice, nice. It's just not the way I trade chat, so I can't just do random things. We don't want to be strategy hopping around here. Got to stick to what you know. It's just a liquidity sweep in the 1 minute. It will go up. Sarab, it's not good to be convinced of anything, right? When we talk about trading, like I'm not convinced of anything. I just look for what I look for, and then if it plays out, then I'm going to take that trade because that's what I've backtested. That's what I know. But anything else, I'm not trying to predict. Like this could absolutely dump, and that's totally fine. Maybe I'm wrong. You can't be so convicted of what the markets are going to do. That is the worst thing you could be doing for yourself and your trading. Being married to some sort of bias for one, and then expecting the price to do something specific like, oh, okay, because it has swept here, then it has to go up. No, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. Constantine says you can use VWAP as a confirmation tool, but not 100% guaranteed. If trend is strong, it will go below past it anyway. Yeah, VWAP I know can be strong. I mean, I know it's something that the institutions use, definitely. But yeah, just something I haven't backtested with, and I just feel funny using other indicators or anything else that I haven't backtested because I'm big on data, and that's, yeah, that just hasn't served me in the past, just randomly using different things that I think could work. If I didn't have the data on it, then it just served me no purpose because how do we know? How do we know it's good with the way I trade? They just building buy side. Yeah, potentially. Still like it for the longs. Here we are breaking new all-time highs, and market just gave us that move to the downside. But it's still, if you zoom out, like that is nothing in the grand scheme of things. We just look like we could be potentially moving to the downside to take out Asia low in this entire range that we created here. But yes, we will see. Months. Is that better? Okay, are we live? Chat, I am back. I have no idea. Yes, Hannah is sabotaging the Wi-Fi. I don't know. Oh, sorry about that. That was weird because you could still hear me. Chats were still there, but my camera just disconnected. So anyway, moving on. Where were we? About psychology, about what I've learned. Just journaling and looking over your mistakes in training. That's basically what I was trying to say. That's probably what really helped me the most. Okay, Hannah, get off the Wi-Fi. Literally. Hannah, if you're watching, please get off. That's right. Justice for Celine's internet, Justin. That's the only comment that you're not getting banned for. I'm just gonna quickly check our like count here, guys, because we're not far from that. We've got how many likes? 250. We need 390 likes, and then I said we're gonna bring Nick on and we're gonna do a giveaway. Lucifer. Oh my gosh. David, no, I'm not using 2G internet. Guys, we're not going over this again. Okay, split striker short here. Guys, tell me if you're in any trades, by the way. Yes, let me know. Let's go split striker. I am currently watching this 1 minute gap. Obviously, we had quite the candle here to take me out, but if this is going to be the case, if I just go Nicholas Wickless, whatever, but I would re-enter if we do invert this gap and show bullish strength. But yeah, let's see. Literally that low was 27,426 and I think I got just ticked out of that long. If this continues to make a move now to the upside, that's going to be really frustrating. Justice for Celine's sister. Oh, Justin, you want to get banned today. Initial Maverick, I'm still in the long. I didn't get wicked out. Nice. Well, I hope it still works out for you. I'm right now won't get a signal, or I don't really like it until we see bullish strength to invert this 1 minute gap. GP is still a bit lower first. Okay. Good to know. It's good to know all these things that you guys are looking at. Like, we all have different perspectives on the market. So interesting. Libran, I'm in a 1 minute. I am in a 1 MNQ long still. Okay, nice. Nice. Split striker, I'm out of the short break even. Going to wait for a bit more structure here. Just got wicked out. Mondays be like that, chat. Mondays really be like that. Wicking us out. Nikolai. Well, because you asked so kindly, I will answer that. I'm 27. 27 and I'm getting old, closer to 30. It's not fun. But it is what it is. Justin says, if I go to London, if I go to the London event, I will personally bring you the overnight oats. Justin, I'm banning you. Guys, every day we have to talk about these overnight oats when we know full well they were not overnight oats. I'm going to put you in. You get a full 1 minute today, Justin, for that. Come to the London stream with overnight oats and watch what I'll do. Just come. Not the London stream, the London event. Let's go, G for Geo. Daily profit hit. Let's go. Were you in the shorts? Just ain't right, Celine. Didn't you recently have a birthday stream? Did I stream on my birthday? I probably did. Birthday was in February. I actually don't recall if I was on stream or not. You are pretty smart at trading at 27. I did not know anything about stock market or trading at 27. Oh, please. There are people even younger than me that know a lot more than me. So thank you for hyping me up there, but I really don't know a whole bunch. There is a lot more to learn about the stock market than just what I have watched and learned was the NASDAQ. That's all I've really been able to. I can talk about NASDAQ forever because that's what I studied and learned and watched every single day for the past 2 years, almost 3 years in October. But everything else, don't talk to me about options trading or any of that. Yeah. Futures trading, NQ, ES, that's where I'm at though. How to join Tradeify. Obviously go to tradeify.co, sign up, make an account. Right now, well, forever, we have a new update, which means you can bundle accounts and save with Tradeify. So highly recommend you go ahead and buy yourself accounts. But just go to tradeify.co. You'll be able to join Tradeify there. Nice. G4G was in shorts. Let's go. FX Pit, I just got wicked out by 2 points. That's so annoying. I also got wicked out. Really sucks, guys. But we're going to wait. We're going to wait. If the longs want to come out, then we're going to be ready to take those longs. We're not going to be defeated. You guys saw, I'm pretty sure Friday took a L and then took a banger win after that. Ended up like way up on the day. So it doesn't matter. Taking one L isn't going to destroy the day. Use risk management. Make sure that if it was a big L, then your risk... you've sized your risk in the next trade accordingly so that you're not going to be so red on the day if the second trade is an L. But yeah, keep that in mind. I still like the reaction. This dashed line that we have here is the 1 hour midpoint of this gap. So we are getting a nice rejection there. That was what I wanted to see for bulls to remain in control. So I still like this for longs, still like this area of price that we're rejecting and holding. Well, let's see if we can get an inversion though as a reaction off this. But guys, right now 444 angel numbers. We're not far from getting Nick on the Nictator, and I want to check that we have done the likes in order to do that, and also to do a giveaway, the first giveaway of the day. There are plenty of you watching. There's only 278 likes here. We said 390. There is almost 500 of you. If all 500 of you go and like this stream, then we'll be done. We'll be able to do the giveaway ASAP. So make sure you smash the like button if you're just joining. Hit the subscribe button as well. I mean, all of that stuff. But the likes is what counts for the giveaway. So make sure you smash the like button and I'll be able to do the giveaway. I mean, the subscribe button just helps as well because that way we can... Oh my gosh, I really did get wicked out there. But that means you can comment in the chat and we can talk all for the next 3 hours. Now, I literally probably did get wicked out of this trade. I don't love that. I don't love that. But this is trading. And you don't know where price is heading. You can be so right about a direction, but so wrong about the timing. And yeah, let's just wait here. Still waiting, not FOMO entering, not trying to jump into anything. We're 15 minutes away from London Open as well, so keep that in mind. We're going to get some volume then. And for now, we've just sort of sat in this chop on the 1 minute. And that the biggest volume candle was the one that took me out randomly, so don't you love that? Hey, Leia, how was your holiday in Florence? I want to hear, did you go to the market, like I told you? I hope you did. I had some of the best food at the Florence market. Shenlong, I need coffee and London Open before I consider a trade. Fair enough, Shenlong. Fair enough. I'm with you. I'm with you on the coffee. I've pretty much finished this, devoured it. That's what's giving me the energy right now. You guys saw me yesterday or even Saturday. I was out cold in bed with a fever, 39 degrees. So it's actually a miracle that I'm here right now talking to you guys. I did not think I was going to make it to stream today. Okay, I hear you, Lucifer. Celine, why didn't you take a trade at the most recent IFVG at about 43325? Okay. You're probably talking about this candle here. So the reason that wasn't a trade was if I go back... if I go back to that point in price... that inverted at 242. So at 242, we're 3 minutes away from the new 15-minute candle open. And the way I trade that 15-minute candle is I want to see it wick down first to take out its previous 15 minutes low, which would have been this level here, and then go higher. Sometimes that doesn't happen, and you can just get the pump, which, if I get out of replay mode, we did see a strong move off that inversion. But that's not always the case. It's safer for me in the way I backtested to wait for that initial sweep of this low before getting in that reaction, that inversion to the upside. So that's not considered a long entry for me yet because this previous 15-minute low is still intact. So at any given point, for example, this 15-minute just probably looks like, a small wick to the upside and a small wick to the downside don't really like trading in that. Would prefer to see a candle like this one where we've swept out previous 15 minutes low and then continue to be in that distribution. But yeah, anything can still happen. We are holding this 1 minute gap right now that created that bearish drop. Let's see how we react in here. All right. Celine just making up YouTube rules as she goes along. Morning, girl. What YouTube rules did I make up? What? It's true. If you guys subscribe, then it means we can talk. If you're not subscribed, then we can't talk on YouTube. That's how it works. Food was amazing. Okay, Leia's giving us an update from Florence. Food was amazing everywhere. David was beautiful and the skyline view was incredible. We'll be back, that's for sure. Florence is 1,000 times better than Rome and Venice. Wow. Okay, interesting that you say it's 1,000 times better than Rome and Venice, because I've never been to Venice and I've always wanted to know how Venice compares to those areas of Italy. So I could probably agree. Maybe it is nicer than Rome. Rome as a city was just very congested. But Florence is beautiful. Are you going anywhere else in Italy? Let us know. I love hearing about people's travels. All right, Roman says 83 likes to go, guys. Let's do a giveaway. We're so close. Let's see. 320 likes. We are very close. 390 likes, and we will do a giveaway. Now, I'm literally just gonna be the liquidity here, aren't I? This was the trade. I'd be back in break even. Don't you love it? Don't you love that? Nasty Nasdaq. Oh wow. Literally, NQ just wanted to come take me out and then go to the upside. That's fine. I'm not getting triggered by this. That's what NQ wants. He wants a reaction out of me. We're not going to give him the reaction he wants. Let this candle pump, whatever. There will be another opportunity, but we are having the reaction I wanted to see for bullish longs to play out. So 1 hour gap being respected, the midpoint being respected, 1 hour gap holding, previous 4 hour low sweep, little to no upwick on the 4 hour. Would love to see these highs broken as well. And yeah, 15-minute low sweep. We are consolidating here. Could be getting ready for a move back to the upside, and this bearish drop could have just been the pullback in this continuing and forever moving to the upside big bullish move that we've been seeing. So I'll just wait. I will wait. I won't trade now until past London Open. 10 minutes to go. Unless we get a sweep, unless we want to drop back down, sweep out this previous 15-minute low, but doesn't look like we're going to get that. So I'm waiting for London Open here. Venice is an experience. Leia says, Venice is an experience and it's very cool that it's built on water, but Venice is dirty and sick, expensive, and way too many tourists. You walk like sardines in a can. Ugh, I would hate that. There's nothing worse. There is nothing worse than being in a city trying to be a tourist and there's just like way too much busyness and noise and waiting in queues. I hate that. Maybe Venice is not so high on the holiday list. Mo says, I think NQ is a girl sling, constantly changing her mind, but never wrong. You could be. I'm not going to confirm or deny. You could be potentially right there. Nimble says, Mariam would not approve all this long talk. I know, naturally for me as well, I prefer to be in shorts. I'm like Mariam in that way. Like I just feel better when I'm about my trading when I'm in shorts. But you can't deny what this higher time frame looks like. Like, yes, that is quite a large wick, but look at every single day in this past month. We've just been continuing bullish, except for bar 2 days. Bar 2 days, literally in the last 2 weeks. Green, green, green. Or in my case, pink. Every day is pink. I want to see Celine degen once. Justin, I have degened once before. Okay. You guys have been there for that. Whenever I degen, it doesn't work. Like, I'm leaving the degen, whatever, all that stuff for my co-host here, the Nictator, and also for Spudnik. Let the Nicks be the degens around here. Let the girls be the disciplined ones. I just can't. Whenever I degen, it doesn't work out in my favor, and I just can't. So I'm not going to try it. I've done it on stream. You guys have seen. Best cities in Italy are near beach usually. Probably makes sense. Definitely the nicest cities. I remember the most was Amalfi. That was probably my favorite part of Italy. Frank says, TBH, Venice is horrible, dirty, and it's all about tourists and far too expensive. Siena, Perugia are amazing. Small cities and towns outside the main areas are far better. That's always the case. I feel like the smaller towns are always the nicer ones. The ones that are less touristy. Trader 886 just curious, why do you prefer trading NQ over something like ES, for example? It's just the way I backtested. It's simply that I backtested NQ rather than ES because NQ tends to make the moves smoother and cleaner than normally ES would. And I just use ES now to see SMT divergence. So when one is taking out a high versus where the other didn't. And so, yeah, it's just I only backtested on NQ. And I feel like when you watch them side by side, NQ is the one that is printing and making the move, and ES is sort of like a slower grind to that same direction. Yeah, I just find NQ the smoother asset to trade. Yo, what's up, Celine? Yo, what's up, XVQQXX? All right, Leia says, no more travel, Celine. Heading back to cold Stockholm. I don't want to leave Florence. I need another week, but my folks bought a house 1.5 hours away from Florence, so I'm pretty stoked for that. Oh, sick. You'll be in Florence like in no time then. That's amazing. I love that. Wish my parents bought a house an hour away from Florence. I'd be visiting all the time. Is it true in Bali you encounter a lot of big spiders and snakes? No. Literally, I mean, potentially. But saying where I was staying, like more in the central, more touristy area, no snakes, no spiders. But come to Australia and you will find snakes and spiders, that's for sure. They're headed back to IKEA. Yeah. Earn Castro, I just blown my account. Is it smart to get a new account or reset the account? It seems like reset fee is higher than getting a new one. It depends. When we have discounts, just get a new one. Honestly, when we have discounts that are that good, I would just get a new one. Need 37 more likes. Wesley, what? Guys, we're almost there. We have only a few more minutes and then Nick is going to be joining us. So make sure we smash the like button and we can do a quick giveaway. There is over 500 of you here now, 356 likes. Let's go. If we get 390 likes, we're going to do a giveaway in like literally 5 minutes. Can you do a fake laugh, Celine? What? I don't even know where that's come from, Justin. No, I'm not going to do a fake laugh. We're real around here, okay? No fakeness. Not me. If 1 hour closes below 27,443 in 5 minutes, buy stays bearish. Fair enough. Fair enough. We're still rejecting that 1 hour midpoint. I mean, doesn't look like we've made such a strong move off that level. I would like to see us keep breaking highs here on the 1 minute. Like right now, there's this bearish trend that we're stuck in on the 1 minute. If we can break above like the 27,452 level, I would definitely feel better about these longs. What strategy do you use? Nimi Kamari, I use basically a sweep reversal strategy that uses the alignment between the 4 hour and the 15 minute and an execution on the 1 minute. The signal for execution on the 1 minute is just a 1 minute IFVG, but I wait for a sweep to a high time frame level and an intermediate time frame level. And when they both align, I take the entry off the 1 minute. Hope that makes sense. Celine, can we do the scrolly giveaway method? What? You guys hated that method when I did that? No, because you guys are like, it's real. No, not doing it. We're doing the spin the wheel giveaway method because then no one can complain that it's rigged because you guys can see us spin it in real life. Just ain't right, Celine. It sounds like ICT. Yep, it uses it. Most definitely is using ICT concepts. That's who I learned from. Celine, why when you see my comment, you can just read my name as Lau. Okay. I mean, make it make sense, but Lau, that is so fun. I will try remember that. Can you please show one example? Yes, Nimi Kamori. We did have an example just earlier on. But I will get into that in just a minute. But first, we are 3 minutes away from London Open, which means we are going to be surprised by a certain somebody soon. We call him the Nictator around here. And we're like 11 likes away from doing a giveaway. So literally 10 more likes now, 380 likes. We said 390 likes and we'll do a giveaway and we'll unlock Nick. So go, go, go. 1 more minute. He'll be joining us very soon. Let me get that intro ready for him, because no doubt you guys will be hitting that like count goal. I believe in you. Is your checklist part of your indicators? Yes, it is. That checklist is for me to know when those levels have been swept and then to tell me when the inversion has happened. And the bias is just basically pinned to the 4 hours. So have we swept out previous 4 hour low? Okay, if we have, then that'll tell me that I'm bullish looking for longs. Did anyone practice Mario Kart to gain an account? Lol, yes, that's actually true. We did say we're going to do Mario Kart, but from memory, I think we said Friday. So you guys still have a week to practice Mario Kart, and then you guys can first sneak and have fun with that. Did anyone see his story over the weekend as well? Looks like he won his Age of Empires battle with his best friend. So he's on a win streak, guys. We need to end this. Somebody needs to defeat him at something. How do you enter giveaway, lol? Zinnia, when Nick arrives, we will have a form for you guys to fill out, and then we'll do the giveaway from there. But pretty much we just give you guys the form and then we'll spin the wheel. And it's as easy and as simple as that. But right now we are 1 minute away. I'm going to quickly check on the like count goal. We have been joined by the Nictator chat. So we do have him. He has arrived. And let me just quickly check. Did we get there? I hope so, because let's see. We want to give this account away. 401 likes. We smashed the like count target. So let's go. London has is about to open. So it is time for me to introduce the YT wearing, hand over moving, GP trading, biohacking, Mewtwo catching, steak with ketchup abusing, soundboard trolling, intro creating, KFC hating, Five Guys loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water guzzling, chat banning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, salmon manga sushi loving, so shuttle winning, super slippery, sock walking, accent king, definitely not CPI, full porting, no prep marathon running, Nictator, DMC strategy inventing, Mario Kart king, the one and only Nicholas Wickle. Let's bring him on.
Mario Kart King. Let's fucking go. Good morning. How are we doing?
Good morning. How are you?
It's a beautiful day in Switzerland. It is sunny. It is warm. Spring is here and I'm happy. So chat, you know what to do. Put a 1 in the chat. If you love summer, put a 1 in the chat. If you love your life, put a 1 in the chat. If you love making money, put a 1 in the chat. If you love the solo hour with Celine, who's absolutely goated at this, put a 1 in the chat. If you love putting ones in the chat, and put a 1 in the chat if you think Nick is the GOAT at Mario Kart. Oh, that's so kind. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate that. That's so kind. Yeah, we know it.
Deleting every single one now.
Celine, how are you doing? All good?
I'm good. I was telling the chat, look, I may be a bit lower energy today, but I'm still ready to take NQ down and take some banger trades in.
You're a GOAT, honestly, for that.
Well, I did have a fever. If you saw me, guys, over the weekend, I was like out cold. I had a fever like 39 degrees. So it is low-key a miracle that I'm on stream right now, able to talk, because over the weekend I was like dead. But I'm good. I'm alive.
Nice.
And I wouldn't miss the London session for anything.
Hell yeah. We just got news. Iran gave US a new proposal for reaching a deal on reopening of Strait of Hormuz and lifting naval blockade first, postponing nuclear negotiations for a later stage, just so you're aware.
Well,
hopefully,
hopefully that's the end of the news to drop, because I was in a trade, I was in a long, and then pretty much 5 minutes in, we had this nasty like 1 minute bearish drop. That might have been around the time we had that news, and then got wicked out there, and market has just been chopping around ever since. But what are you looking at? Have you been in any trades, or are you buying something up?
Nope, not really right now. We do actually. Wait a minute. Let me check something really quick. Wait.
Oh, is it a GP?
Yeah, what that was a tap into the 618. I would want to see a Nasdaq come back down to daily open, which is the 707 GP, so 27,402 for potential bounce higher. So that's what I'm currently looking at right now. I actually just saw that. Aside of that, nothing really waiting for this to happen. But obviously we made all-time highs, right, in the overnight session, 27,542. Crazy. We're now over halfway there to 28K, which is pretty insane. We just recently hit 27K. Like, what?
Crazy, I know.
Yeah, insane. But chat, did you take any trades yet? If so, what did you take? Let's hear it. Let's see who made the most money so far today.
Oh yeah, let's see. I mean, definitely not me. I'm down on the day, but it looks like I might have gotten Nicholas Wiggless out of this long. I'll be a bit bitter about that. Oh, I was in that long, but I'm eyeing up this one, the 1 minute candle that did move on to take me out. If that inverts, I will look for another long entry because I still like it from this level. Let's see who won the most here. 1360 on the day. Let's go G for Geo. Hell yeah. Nice.
Hell yeah. Momo says, bro, I just got up. You lazy ass, man. What are you getting up at 9 a.m.? Dude.
Some people already made 1360 on the day, Momo. What are you doing? Sleeping?
Yeah. Lazy ass Momo. Come on now. Can't be doing that. All right. You said giveaway, right?
Oh, hell yeah.
Hey, what's up, Leia? Good morning. Morning. Okay, giveaway. Let me pull everything up really quick. Chat, if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is you have to like the stream. Okay, don't forget, if you don't like, not a valid entry. You have to subscribe to the channel. Again, if you don't subscribe, not a valid entry. And then once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the Google form is, you will get disqualified as well. We don't want that. We don't want that. That would be a bad start to the week. So here's the form. And then we're going to spin the wheel and see who wins and what they win. M. Bellum says 0.2% probability of winning the giveaway. How do you know how many people are going to be in the giveaway? You don't. So you don't know what the probabilities are. Okay. Just saying.
There's always one.
There's always one. Okay, so NQ pulling further down. Weekly open, daily open tap, 27,403 would be so nice.
Potential.
So nice. I'll be ready for that.
If we get down into daily open, I'd probably be also interested in sweeping out Asia low since we'd be so close. And taking longs out of there. But yeah, definitely I want to see the longs considering we just keep making all-time highs. Like just buy NQ, never lose, right? Trading markets. Buy NASDAQ, never lose.
For real. I'm actually already starting my position here. And then nice. I'm looking to add to this at GP 707 if we pull back down there. So I am in longs right now.
All right, nice. Chat, by the way, Nick, you have still not let me know this new trading strategy that you have going on. So we're still yet to find out, chat. We still
I mean, look, if somebody guesses it, we might reveal it, you know?
Like, as we can see, chat, there's no stop loss or TP or anything in right now. Nick's just in alone.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Let me pull this up a bit though. Okay, now we got a TP. We wait.
Nice.
Constantine says Nick is using astrology indicator. Fuck, he got me, man.
I mean, could be.
Heinz says, Nick, where are your goggles from? Heinz, you're getting more creative with this. I love it. I love it.
No, trading markets, we did ask him if it was martingale. It's some martingale on crack is what we called it. Martingale on crack.
Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy,
But
oh
it's
boy.
100% win rate, right? The trades have been clean.
For real.
So we can't hate on it, chat. We can't hate on this gambling, whatever we want to call it.
What do you mean gambling, lady?
I mean, it works.
What do you mean, lady?
He must have a huge account. Well, he might just love to gamble. Maybe it's just that.
Hey, watch your mouth.
I'm not wrong about that.
Yes, you are. Nobody has guessed it yet. Nobody, not a single person. So we keep doing it. Anyways. What are you eyeing up right now?
Right now we are dipping lower into daily open. So I'm keeping an eye on that reaction there. But other than that, really, I want to see now a sweep of 27,379, which is my Asia kill zone level low. So once that sweeps now, I will be eyeing up the longs. But I'm actually shocked to see us completely just filling this whole Asia range that we created, because that was a nice pump that we had overnight. And now we've pretty much just reversed all of that. But yeah.
Oh, Nasdaq, you fell asleep? What's going on, Mister? Should I call you Mister? Who knows?
How's your weekend?
Good. I did a lot of things this weekend. Way too many, actually. Way too many. Hey, Roman, by the way, let's go to my screen. I'm in a trade. I met with. Okay, wait. I gotta open up my calendar here because I don't remember. Did so many things. Okay, so I met up with 2 friends and my fiance for little breakfast thingy. Then we went to scout the last potential wedding location. Then we actually watched a live stream of an ultimate race that my best friend was participating in. It's crazy. It's like a 48-hour race where it's kind of like a backyard ultra, but on steroids, meaning it's a 48-hour race, and every hour you have to run a 4.5 kilometer kind of track, and it has 20 obstacles on it, and the obstacles are crazy. You have to dive underwater in a super narrow pipe, and you have to climb over crazy stuff. It's insane. And it's 48 hours in teams. Right, so it's always you can split it how you want. Somebody could do one round, then the other one could do one round, then the other one could do one round, or you can do 2 rounds, 4 rounds, whatever you want to do. Right, up to you. And his team partner dropped out after 25 hours, and then he kept going for another 18 hours on his own, just round after round after round after round.
Jeez, your friend.
Yeah, he ended up dropping out, unfortunately, but still insane effort. And there was one guy from Switzerland. He did the whole thing solo and actually completed it. So 48 hours alone. Every 1 hour you do 4.5 K with obstacles, and then in the end, they had to wear additional weight vests, right? They had to what was it? They had to do it faster. So instead of 1 hour time, they had 35 minutes and crazy shit. This guy did over 240 something kilometers alone within 48 hours. It's brutal.
What?
Absolutely brutal.
I can't even fathom it. Yeah.
Also, I see Obai just posted it as well. The world record for the marathon has been broken.
Jeez, wait.
Under 2 hours. Under 2 hours. Absolutely.
Up 2 hours?
Insane.
It must be
people. It's so bad because this is the first time in an official race somebody beat 2 hours. 2 people beat it. Now imagine you're that second guy. Imagine you broke the world record.
No, you just
record, but you didn't get it.
The London Marathon.
Yeah, London Marathon. Absolutely insane. It's crazy.
Wait, where's he from? 29 years old. From which country was? I can't see. Does anyone know where he was from? Uganda.
Yeah, who would have guessed?
I know. Kenya or Uganda. They are just another another, I don't even know.
I
if
would
they're-
have bet my hand it was a Swiss guy.
Yeah, or an Aussie.
Yeah.
No, that's insane. Like how that
Crazy.
Swiss guy that did all of that, insane. I would have actually loved to watch that. I
Brutal.
was in bed all weekend, so
back to the weekend story. So we watched that live stream throughout the whole weekend. Then yesterday we did a high rocks training, which was absolutely brutal again. Then we met some more friends, and then that was pretty much it.
lots of stuff.
And you were just sick all the weekend?
I was just in bed. So Friday night, I caught up with some friends, and I think that's when it all went downhill because I was up. We're on a rooftop bar, and like I forgot that Melbourne weather can just shift like dramatically at nights.
Mm-hmm.
So it was like a warm, really sunny, like late afternoon here. And then it just absolutely shifted. Like I think it would have dropped to like 10 degrees. And with that, like you're at the top of like a rooftop. So then you get like the strong breeze as well. And I was just freezing that entire night. And then, woke up Saturday just completely rough. Had no energy, had a fever, was just out of it. And just slept pretty much all of Saturday and Sunday pretty much the same. And I had plans. I had to cancel them all. So it was sad. It was my first weekend here. And I wanted to get a whole bunch done. But it's all good. I'm actually feeling a lot better though. So body was able to fight that fever off, and
nice. Did you play League of Legends while in bed?
I didn't even have energy for that. You need energy for League. Let me tell you, you need energy. I saw you played a bit of Age of Empires.
Yes, I won.
Yeah, I saw. I told the chat, I was like, he's gonna be on a high after this weekend because you're on a winning streak right now, Nick. What can we say? We need you to lose. We said Mario Kart Friday, chat. So make sure you guys are getting in your training because Friday could be the day we see Nick finally lose at something.
Me?
Yeah, you, Nick Tater.
In Mario Kart. Did you see the last races that we did?
I mean, I did, but like there was a guy, Dave. Dave was very close. I'm not gonna lie.
Dave
just needs to warm up a little bit more.
Lady, I had 60 points. He had 47. What are you talking about close?
It's not far off. He's closer than I probably would be. Let me say that.
Your confidence dropped, huh?
Yes, as you can tell. Just slowly trying to work out what I can beat him at, chat. Anyway.
That's funny. Yeah, well, Nick, paddle, you said. I mean, are you looking forward to win 20K in that paddle match?
Yeah, I am pumped. I'm pumped for that. I got to make sure Claudia is training because it's not just me.
You're aware, I'm not kidding, right? You are aware that we're going to bring 20K to that match.
Oh, no, you're aware that I will have 10K in a bag. Cash.
Okay, good. Why in a bag, though? What are you, some criminal or what?
Oh, yeah. I'm going to bring it. We're going to drop our bags at the paddle courts. We're going to have them locked up.
Does the bag have like a little dollar sign on it, or?
No, we'll be... Oh, obviously not. I'm not going to be traveling with that looking so obvious. Just going to be a black duffel bag. No one will know what's in there. Could be cash. Could be a whole bunch of chocolates. We don't know.
Oh yeah.
We don't know. There are some sick paddle courts actually in Melbourne, like right on the river, like on the river in the main part of our city. It looks sick. I really want to go play paddle out there. Although it's like people like constantly walking up and down that way, so it's like glass, everyone can see, but still, it'd be cool.
The business lens says, imagine Nick going degen on live account and lower circuit hits, and he is unable to get out of position, and his bounce is negative 500K, and his broker calls to extort that money. My friend, the broker would never call on NQ futures. You just get auto liquidated. There is no margin calls in futures. Doesn't exist. Also, let's run the giveaway. Shall we?
Yes.
The Ripper says, I entered my name in the form 3 times. I got mistake on spelling. Yeah, that's fucking stupid. You're disqualified. All right, let me copy everybody over. One second. So if the Ripper A wins, he's disqualified.
Good luck, everybody else.
Good luck, everybody else, except the Ripper A, I guess.
Except for him.
All right, let's see. Mr. Wheel, are you working? Okay, here we go. Let's see first who wins, and then let's see what they win. Dude, the Ripper, paste this one more time in the chat, and I'll get you banned from the chat too. Do not do this. Okay. Spinning. The winner of this first giveaway, meaning we have more, is Tush218. Tush218.
Nice.
Let me just quickly double check if you filled out the form once. Yes, nice. Type something in the chat. Tush218.
Tush.
Where are you at? Yeah, Mexican dance. That was too slow. That was too slow.
Wait, George, you must be delayed. He said, "Where is the form?"
Oh, Tush is there. Tush is there. So Tush, let's see what you win. I'm going to add growth accounts to the mix. I'm going to add select accounts to the mix. Oh, there we go. And I'm going to add lightning accounts to the mix. Spinning. Tush,
let's see.
You win. Okay, growth. Okay. Ooh, 25k growth account.
Okay.
25k growth account, Tush. So now the question is, do you want to play a game of 0, 1, 2, 3? Meaning, we're going to spin this wheel again. If you want, you can take the W. You can take the 25k growth account and walk away. Or you can spin this wheel again, have a 25% chance of losing the account, 75% chance of keeping the account, 50% chance of walking away with more than one account. Let me know. What do you want to do? Do you want to spin the 0, 1, 2, 3 wheel?
I'm spinning that every time for those odds. Come on, chat.
Yeah.
Come on, Tush.
75% chance. It's good.
Spin it.
It's pretty good. What is Tush gonna do? That's the real question here.
Let's spin. All right. Hell yeah.
All right, let's spin it. Spinning. This looks good. Tush, this has paid off 2 25k growth accounts. Congrats.
Ooh.
Congratulations. Now, all you got to do, Tush, to receive your accounts, free, like 2 free 25k growth accounts, then all you got to do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your actual email address that you use to log into your Tradeify accounts. And yeah, then wait 7 days and we're going to send you your account. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Yeah.
Congrats.
All right, first giveaway of the stream done. What should we say? I guess next like count goal, we should set it a little bit higher. I mean, they said 390 likes in an hour, so they're
crazy. Now we're at 523.
Damn. Guys, thank you for all the love today. Everyone's woken up Monday. Love it. All right, let's say... Well, you pick.
I mean, 707. 707, yeah. So chat, get us to 707 likes, and we're gonna do another giveaway. Okay, Mr. Derp took my counting lesson seriously last week and actually learned how to count, and says now, I want a giveaway on Monday, 4/20. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days ago, and still didn't receive an account. Can you check, please? Mr. Derp, I'm sorry. I don't know why you didn't receive your account. I'm going to look into this, and I'm going to send this to our one and only Brandon, and he's going to look into it. Thank you for taking the counting lesson seriously. All right.
There was also a couple others in the chat who were asking, and I told them same thing. So if it's not there by those days that we talked about, chat, just send us a message like Mr. Durp, and we'll send Brandon a message. But until then, wait patiently. Okay.
Sorry, didn't want to interrupt. I thought you were done.
So I was going to say it is a manual process, so you have to give us some time. Oh, good. Go ahead.
I was just saying, make sure the email address in your YouTube channel description is the actual email address that you use to log into your Tradeify accounts, because otherwise you will not be able to receive the account. Leia, have a good flight back. Hope your trip was nice. The Ripper A, if you do this one more time where you copy paste one of your messages in the chat, I'll ban you for the day.
There was already one of those I had to ban.
Damn.
Already. It's Monday, guys.
The business lens says giveaway scam.
Well, just because you never win.
Just because you're a fucking loser.
Just because you suck. Oh, the business lens. We love to hate you. Little jokes. I'm getting good vibes on this long. Love trading with the vibes. It's Gabby. We love trading vibes only around here. But no, for real, I am waiting for a sweep of previous 15-minute low, also potentially dropping into daily open here and seeing what we can do.
Interesting. I'm still in this low. We're chilling.
Nice. Chicken. You want to talk about your game on Sunday? Not happy about it. You let that team down.
Talk about it.
I'm disappointed. Like, I don't know what you need to do or how that game works, but make those troops stronger. I don't know, but get better at that damn game.
Roman just messaged us in the back room saying, I will start slowly playing guitar on background instead of music. Are you okay with it? Hell yeah, Roman. Go for it.
Yes, Roman. Go for it. I wish I could hear Roman. That's the sad thing. We're not going to be able to hear. Oh, hell yeah, we can hear.
Fire, we got Roman live music now. Which other trading live stream has fucking live music, huh? This is crazy.
We got everything here. Soon we're going to have like live singing. Nick's going to take it away soon. He's going to start singing. We got Roman jamming. Going to be a whole live band. Go for it, Roman.
Nice.
We can just like commentate the charts and Roman can just jam out. He is the GOAT, Andre says.
Oh yeah.
He for sure is.
Everybody put a W Roman in the chat.
Do we have any song requests for our W Roman producer / guitarist / just G in general? Live trading, live music, TTV? Hell yeah, Wix FIFA.
Ozempic says, play Freebird. Damn, Ozempic, I haven't seen you in forever.
Yeah,
you still alive, man? What the heck? What's up, bro? How are you doing?
Ozempic, you've been slacking on the London streams, huh? Where you been?
Yeah. The Rude Sandstorm. That would be so sick. Freebird and Sandstorm would be epic.
I like this. Is such a chill vibe.
This is a vibe. I like it.
This is a vibe. All right, I feel like we're gonna get some good trades in now. Roman's bringing the positive, chill vibes music. Let's hope for a W trade here coming in.
Asmodeus, hey Nick, what is this trade? This is a GP bounce here from the low of day to the high of day. 618 GP bounce, long 5 micros on Nasdaq.
Traders X official, are you guys at any prop expos this year? Well, one I can definitely tell you about is the prop expo come end of June in London we will be at. So keep an eye out on socials for all the details, but yes, can confirm.
I won't be there.
We'll be there. Yes, sadly. Sadly, the AI won't be there, but the real human will be. The real human will be there.
Nice try.
Yeah.
Let's see. Pratish, what is this yellow line? This is the 200 EMA on a 5-minute.
Wesley says he's occupied on his guitar, so he won't hunt Nick's orders. That's true. This trade's probably going to work out because the real market maker is too busy on guitar right now.
Roman, people are saying you should turn down the volume a little bit because it's too loud. Hey, you know what? Chicken? You look hot. You look hot. But
Chicken, I was going to say, you're extremely nice for someone who lost.
Yeah, but you're still a loser in Age of Empires.
Lol. This says, even if we meet Celine in real life, she's still AI. Never forget that. Yep. Lucifer, bro, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm actually working on a new hologram, hologram technique. And that should be ready by the London Prop Expo. So.
Just in time for the London Prop Expo.
Yeah. Chicken says that was an exhaustion tie. Look, my friend, I would have kept going for freaking 10 hours. It's your fault when you put your king out of the castle and I'm just gonna freaking cannon bomb him with a ship. Don't pull him out of the castle. Like, that's giving up. Meaning you lost. I don't care how I
would
win.
love to watch this. We need to see you stream these games. I think that could be definitely a thing. Because I want to see it.
Oh yeah. The love of a good old Age of Empires stream.
What chat is Chicken in? What? Asmodeus. If you're wondering who Chicken is, it's the guy with the username Greek Joker. He just pretends he's not a chicken, but he really is.
If you throw some corn in the chat, he's gonna come and pick it up. Watch. Right.
Well. My Kai Dotslip.
Here, Chicken.
What?
Here's some corn.
Nick is currently trading NQ, for those asking. Where is the stop loss? There is no stop loss. It's with a stop loss. If you don't have one, then you can never really lose.
There he is. Good sport, good sport. We're just got live music on stream. Hell yeah.
I just can't believe this. Can someone write in the comment section?
I just told everybody, and then Celine told everybody again. I'm trading Nasdaq. I'm long from 27, 417, and 75.
Justin, hashtag overnight oats. You got to get over this, Justin. You really do. No one else thinks it looks like overnight except for you.
Nah, I think it looks worse than oats. Oats look nice.
Oh, maybe just you and Nick. Literally no one else. He's trading NQ and cards.
Huge Freighter says, I blew my account twice with no stop loss. Uh-oh.
I mean, if it was an eval, maybe I get it. But I hope it wasn't a funded if you were trading like that.
Yeah, I would never do that.
Please don't tell me that. I get stressed thinking about that. Roman got me feeling like I'm on a long, harsh trading journey through space. That's funny.
That is funny.
Chat, are we in any trades? Like, is anyone fading Tradeify TV right now? Nick's in longs. I'm waiting. Tradeify TV, yes. I'm not fading yet. But I probably won't be today. I'm actually looking for longs, so potentially we're going to be riding this long together at some point today.
Get out, then.
I haven't got it set up yet. Hey, the cookies and milk worked for us last Friday.
Put cookies and milk back up there? Maybe we have to.
Yeah.
Maybe we have to.
Well, when I get in a trade, I will. Because I didn't have the cookies and milk in my first trade today, so
big mistake, lady. Big mistake.
Thank you. Wants that cookies and milk.
It does.
I feel like this music, Roman, sounds like an Assassin's Creed game I've played or something.
Ooh, I love Assassin's Creed.
Yeah, I feel like it sounds like the Odyssey game. Potentially. I don't know. Five MNQ long. Nice. Mr. John Perrin about to pick up another 5.
Yeah, me too, my friend. Me too. If you touch the 707, which is daily open at 403. I'm actually going to set an order there. 403. 403.25. Oop. This is not a stop loss. This is to add more. Just saying.
Yeah, Stupid Jerry, you get it. It feels like I'm like in Assassin's Creed right now. Odyssey.
Asmodeo says, I get it. Today Nick is gambling. Nope. Not true.
I mean, I agree with that, but Nick thinks otherwise. But that's with most people with addictions, right? They can never admit their problems.
I'm not fucking addicted, okay?
Exactly. Oh wait, Roman, that's gotta be clipped. Chad, do yourselves a favor and go back and rewatch the last 10 seconds. Oh my god, I love that it's Monday and this is where we're at.
Hey.
All right, I won't call you addicted anymore, Nick. I'll remember.
Troy, you see, Troy gets it. He's trading trend continuation of the golden pocket retrace, not exactly gambling. Bingo. Bingo, my friend.
Yeah, okay, today seems a bit more structured, but you can't explain Friday and Thursday last week.
LL
Can't.
KF4RV says no stop loss, you're breaking the CME rules. What? No, my friend. The CME doesn't give a shit if you use a stop loss or not.
What's that? I feel like there's another sound coming through, Roman. Was there some background?
It sounded like a freaking chicken laughing or something.
I'm not even kidding. I thought it was birds too.
For real, like seagulls.
You have seagulls? Oh yeah, we heard that.
Yeah, it was seagulls.
That's crazy. Where do you live? On the beach? Nick knows his birds.
You fucking have a seagull in your house or what?
Oh wait, you actually have a pet seagull?
Bro.
What is today's stream? This is so funny.
How many people want to keep asking what the strategy is behind this long? I've literally explained it 17 times now. Okay.
Because the last couple London streams have been questionable, so
no, that's what you think. Okay. Last time I'm going to explain this. Looking at NQ. Bada bing, bada bong. Okay. Removing this. From the low of today to the high of today, draw with the Fibonacci retracement tool. You're going to see we tapped into the golden pocket area here, the 618 at 27,420, which is also a meme level. I added longs, or started a long position, 5 micros. Looking for a deeper retrace into the 707 here. Going to add another 5 micros. Looking for a bounce to at least 0.5, but then 0.236. So back up to 27,495, basically. Okay. The last time I'm explaining this. Everybody who asks afterwards, just go back in the stream.
Yeah, by the way, if you're just joining, we said 707 likes and we will do another giveaway. And there is over 800 of you watching right now. So if you're just joining, make sure you go and smash the like button and we'll do our second giveaway here. I mean, if we get to it quick enough, I don't know, maybe there's a third giveaway today.
Ooh, a third?
Know.
Damn.
I don't know.
Lean really wants to get us fired, huh?
Oops. No, not making promises, but like, let's get the likes up.
Whoopsies.
Whoopsies.
Roman's just jamming, living his best life.
Roman's bringing in the viewers, though. Everyone's here to listen to Roman jam and us trade.
Chicken says, y'all getting greedy. What happened with 333? My friend, we are over that. We're now at 800 viewers. Like, what are you talking about? 333 likes, man. What are we? Some chickens? Nope. We're going for real targets now.
Watch us hit 1,000 likes soon on London session. We are just growing so quickly here. 1,000 likes could be potentially the next like goal. I don't know.
Mm-hmm. Justin says, Nick the IKEA man, is it true Celine is the CEO of Tradeify? Yep. Celine, Tradeify decided to switch completely over to an AI CEO. So there we go.
Oops. I told them that it was meant to be hush hush, and then yet again, it's just out the bag. I'm meant to be a silent CEO, you know, the ones who just like make all the decisions behind scenes, but now I guess it's out there. Yep, Brett and Vinny come to me for all decisions. So if you don't like anything, let me know, and I'll send
We might get tapped into 5 more micros here. 5 more micros. Look, Lucky Mon 7 says, invite your friend, everyone. New like 1K challenge. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Can Roman record himself and have the same music for YouTube stream too? Andrea, like get Roman to record a riff that we just play over and over. That could be fun. Have our very own Roman to the music. There he is. Can they hear you, Roman? Oh, okay.
Justin says, is this Roman on the guitar? That's sick. Hell yeah.
It's a live trading with live music now.
Oh, come on, Nasdaq. Get my other 5 micros in, please. Please, sir. Justin says, Roman, I miss your deep Russian voice. Roman, you gotta stop playing the guitar and come on stream. Talk to the people.
Well, hello, guys. Are you enjoying the show so far?
Hello, my friend.
Hello.
How are you?
Hello.
Doing good.
Doing good. Amazing, brother. Amazing.
Bled.
Which what do you think about my Nasdaq longs market make?
I think this is a very profitable strategy you've got here, my friend.
Very nice. Very nice. You heard it from the Russian market maker, my friends.
Aye.
Are you in longs too, Roman?
No, not exactly.
Not exactly. I think now you gotta turn back on the normal background music.
Okay.
Lizard Trade says some mafia market maker vibe here.
It really is.
Funny. Joe and Nick, how do you change your TP that it shows the USD amount and not sell limit? You can just I'm gonna delete it again. This is on TradeC. So TradeC, you can just drag this TP icon up, and then bada bing, bada bang, you're gonna have a TP with a dollar amount. Fireham, you're not new here. Why are you surprised about the dictator?
Imagine he is singing with the accent.
He's just Rasputin.
Who knows? Next time, you guys might be lucky enough to hear Roman sing.
We're not going to call him Roman anymore. It's just Russian.
Russian sing and play guitar. Who knows? But it feels kind of bad that you guys get to hear that for free on Tradeify TV. You know, should be paying good money to hear Roman play for you guys.
It's true. Hey, you know what's crazy? London range so far is, after 41 minutes, only 38 points. Boo.
Bad.
Boo.
I don't love Mondays for that reason. Don't love it.
Yeah.
It's just been this slow grind to the downside right now since those Asia highs were put in at... What time was that? 10.
Edge Arbiter. You saw my LinkedIn, dude. I haven't logged into my LinkedIn in forever. But yeah, I did run a marketing agency before. That is correcto.
I hated LinkedIn. When I used to be in like corporate life, I hated it. Just seeing everyone.
LinkedIn,
I just find it one of those toxic places where everyone's just like, I got promoted and
disgusting platform ever. It's the most disgusting platform ever. It's like,
yeah.
ugh. I'm literally when I open LinkedIn, I just go. Ugh.
Yeah, literally. I deleted all of that shit. When I left corporate 9 to 5, I was like, nope, goodbye forever, LinkedIn.
LinkedIn my ass.
Gross. Yeah, Lucifer, it literally is so toxic. And Andre, yes, everyone is so fake on there. And everyone's like, congratulations. It's just all so fake and gross.
You know, if you would be sharing trades on LinkedIn, think about that. Like, let's say you share like a Nicholas Wickolas loss on LinkedIn, and then everybody's like, congratulations for having the mental strength to absolutely endure this painful event and stay strong and make it work anyways. Fuck you.
Disgusting. Yeah, disgusting. Vomit.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, I do get that it is necessary if you're in that world, but I was just glad to be out of there. Can't lie about that. It is all about the networking. It is.
Honestly, two of the best things that have happened to me when I went full time with trading was no LinkedIn and no more emails. It's fucking awesome. I love it.
Yeah. And also like, just the whole corporate life having the strict hours. I hated that.
Same. Well, I never had corporate hours or anything, but...
Oh, yeah. You wouldn't know what it's like, but it's bad.
I'm not as experienced as you.
I mean, I would have much rather your route, just go straight into business from young, but not all of us are as that business-minded. Fun fact, I was always trying to make my own business when growing up. I tried a few times with like e-commerce stuff, but I never fully committed and I used to just give up. It's hard. It's hard running a business. That's all I'm going to say. Not as easy as people make it look online.
It's
especially like running multiple like $1 million, like I don't know how you did it, but it's tough.
It is not easy, but it's fun. It's cool. Justin says I still get emails from Tradeify. Trading permissions revoked. No. Justin, no.
For real, Justin.
At least you don't have to respond. That's funny. Kiss says, I hate it, but I still do the LinkedIn puzzles every day so I can remind myself how much smarter I am than my previous coworkers. What a boss move, Kiss.
That's so good.
That's funny. Oh, that's great. I've been look at this. This is insane. Wait. I've been in this trade for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 45 minutes, almost 45 minutes. And we're hovering around my break-even point. How jolly.
Yeah, we love that. There is no red folder news today as well, so we're sort of prepared for a bit of a slow market today. I would prefer to get some volume happening. This almost an hour into the London session and we've gone at nowhere right now.
Yeah.
Diamonds, yeah, I've been on a sell from 27,500. Nice. You're in some decent profit. I'm wanting to hold to about 27,200. Okay, damn, going for a big move there. Do you guys mind explaining the buy at this level? I just hopped on. Nick is in this trade. He did explain it a bit earlier, but it is based on GP levels, and I'm also looking at longs based on liquidity sweep. So looking at the sweep of previous 4-hour low, us tapping into the 1-hour bullish cap right now and holding the midpoint of that nicely. So I'm eyeing up longs at these levels. Also would prefer if we can get a sweep of Asia low as well for us to long, but going for a 300-point short, I mean, it's not impossible, but just keep in mind that daily time frames Daily time frame and higher time frames are very much bullish right now until proven otherwise. But for now, sticking with the trend, long seem favorable.
Facts. Stereo says, been here for 2 hours. I'm getting out now. Break even. Ooh, and then it rips, and then you FOMO, and then
hate that.
The spiral.
Then you get that email.
Then you get the Justin email.
Yeah.
Hey, Inicio, my man. What's up? Good morning. Says holding the longs from 27,427, looking for 487. Nice. So we're in the same long. I'm looking for 518.50 though. 518.50. If I do get tapped into another 5 micros down here, I'm gonna take profit at 60 to 70 area though on 5 or 3 maybe, and then hold the rest.
Chat, let us know if anyone is in any trades right now as well, to let us know whether you're fading Nick or if you're trading with Nick even. Let us know. I'm not in anything.
Rolly Mora, what is the yellow line? It's a 200 EMA. A 200 EMA. A 200 EMA. Yeah, you can tell this trade is slow. I kind of want to play Mario Kart now, but we only do Mario Kart Fridays, so. Hey, Inicio, always a pleasure having you here, man. Always. Lots of people in longs here. Okay.
Nice.
Shorted from 423 again, says Tony Clifton. Fading me, huh? Damn, Tony. Long.
Jonathan, no trade for me. I traded the Globe Open last night, so currently enjoying my morning coffee while listening, sat in the garden. Nice. Sounds like a nice morning for you, Jonathan.
For real.
Kryptonite in the same trade with Nick. Let's go. All right, let's hope these longs play out. I'm waiting for an opportunity to get involved. Hopefully soon. I want the longs to play out.
Ooh, boy. We need to push. By the way, for those of you who just joined in, like goal is 707. Once we reach 707 likes, we're going to run a second giveaway. We already did one. Give away 2 25K growth accounts. Maybe in this next one, we're going to give away more. Let's see. The Ripper A. Nick, are you Germany? No, I'm not a country. I'm a human.
Adam, Celine, you still haven't decorated your cupboard? No, I haven't. I'm waiting to have a meeting with our very special Logan that will give me some tips for my background, because Chad, I asked for tips last week what you guys think I should put in my background, and no one really helped me out. I'm obviously going to do some lighting, but if anyone or Nick, you have some ideas, chat, just let me know. I obviously think you can't go wrong with some greenery and some lighting, but yeah. Go on, sorry.
True. That's true. I agree with you. Wesley says, Nick, if you get tagged in your second part of the position, would you take full or partials off at 60, 70 range? I would take partials off, three micros between 60 and 70. Sage, Nick, where's your stop loss? Honestly, I was looking for it, but it looks like it's hiding somewhere. I don't know, man. I'm looking, but I can't find it. It's weird.
Yeah, this is the type of trading that I was talking about that Nick started to do as of last week, and it stresses me out because like trading without a stop loss is kind of like a gamble. I don't know.
Is it though? Not if you add more.
You know what's worse? He trades this unfunded, so I don't know if that gives any of you a bit of anxiety, but it definitely gives me anxiety. Trading with no SL unfundeds.
James, says, get an exhale, inhale sign, the opposite of Claudia.
What?
That'd be funny.
James, no, I'm not Portuguese. No.
Hey, I was playing the Portuguese in Age of Empires this weekend. They're sick.
I'm still yet to play that game.
It's so fun.
How many hours was your session?
Yes.
That's all I need. All right. Andre says, I have some ideas for some lights. No SL, no loss. Oh, I should get a neon light that says no SL, no loss. No analysis. Oh, maybe Nick should get that, really. No analysis,
I should
just
probably
vibe.
get that.
YOLO that account. Lambo on the way. Naslin, you pick one. I love all of these. But Andrea, I feel like the thing is, how am I going to travel with those custom lights? Because it's only going to be temporary setup. I feel like I'd love to do that in my proper setup when I get to Greece. But I should get something funny like that in the background. Johnny Jack, yes, I'm from Mars. How did you guess? I'm from Mars, guys.
And Mars AI.
Yes.
Chat, there's 905 people watching right now. We can get to 707 likes. Come on now.
Hell yeah.
London
London session is so strong. Tradeify.
We're growing.
You guys are goated. You guys are goated.
We're beating the New York stream oftentimes, numbers wise. So like shout out W to yourself, chat. W chat in the chat. Come on.
I'm gonna do W chat. That's just like you guys honestly showing up for the full 3 hours as well. Like
fire.
You guys are the goods, really. You're the reason we keep these streams going, and who knows, one day it might even get longer. We're not gonna say never. But as long as you guys keep showing up, we're gonna keep showing up. So W chat.
If we hit the 707 likes and we are at 1,000 viewers, we're gonna do a 5x giveaway.
Oh hell yeah! It gets.
Can't promise it's gonna happen, but just a little goodie. Just a little goodie. Actually, a big goodie. What am I talking about?
Well, we have done a 5x before. But it is rare.
Out of nowhere, without spinning. Lucifer says, non-stop streaming from London session to New York session. Hey, we have to do that. It's coming. 24-hour stream? Well, probably 23 hours. Or maybe, like during that 1 hour where the market is closed, we could do like a lesson, 1 hour lesson stream. So,
sure.
Maybe. Andre says, Nick, get a sign, justice for Hannah. Hell yeah. That's my LED sign back here. Justice for Hannah.
Oh my gosh. That is just absolute rubbish.
Where is Hannah, by the way?
Where she should be, out of the house, away from the Wi-Fi, far away from the Wi-Fi.
Damn, Celine.
Oh yeah. It's turning into a dictatorship.
Saying on stream that you don't like your sister is crazy work.
Well, every time sister comes on the chat, everyone turns on me, so of course.
Yeah, because your sister is fucking awesome. Annotator.
The annotator. He's all right.
Wick Super says, Mario Kart during the 1 hour close. Brother! Yes! Yes! Beat your asses. No one can beat me.
Yeah, I wouldn't definitely not be around for that 1 hour Mario Kart session with Nick.
Well, you still haven't played me. You still haven't played
Look, unless it's like a league, 1 hour of league, I'll be there. But 1 hour Mario Kart would.
No. Wait a second. You still have to play me in Mario Kart. We agree.
Yeah, but I got time for that. I saw when I get to Greece, I'll have better internet.
Yeah, that's what you said when you moved to Australia. Just saying.
Chicken can vouch. Chicken, your cousins have good internet or no? Yes or no?
Probably no. Jake, what computer do I use? I use a MacBook.
And if not, you know what? I'm just gonna get Starlink. That's it. It is what it is. I'm not dealing with bad internet. I need to verse you.
Nikki Justin asking League as in League of Legends, Celine?
Yes, you guys are new here. What? I love League of Legends. Love it, love it, love it.
I played it once and I don't like it. It's lame.
Yeah, he said it was just a whole bunch of cartoon characters. Lol.
It is.
It's so good.
I don't know.
And Age of Empires is like little cartoon humans.
No.
Same.
It's actual real humans.
Okay, Nick. Yes.
Yes. Lizard Trade's been a player over 10 years. Damn.
Nice. Yeah, usually when you meet a League player, they've been playing for like their whole life. But for me, I'm still new. I'm still new in the game. A few years. The first game I ever played was with my brother on like Xbox. Okay, no, I lied. Nintendo 64 was obviously my first gaming experience. But like first proper game would have been like Halo. That I remember playing that as a kid. My brother.
Geo says that's why he's the dictator. He dictates real mini people.
Yes.
That's funny.
It all makes sense now. Oh my god.
For real.
That's
so wait, so you trade obviously, and then Hannah Tater trades. Does your brother trade?
Shut up, Nick. No one else in my family trades except actually my dad. But
oh wait, your dad actually trades?
On and off. He's more like he used to day trade. Forex. Yeah, Forex.
Did he teach you things?
He taught me things, definitely not like the strategy I use at all, but he trades like Bollinger Bands and like old school like indicators and things like that, and like daily he's like swing trades and stuff like that.
What does he think of you trading and streaming?
Oh, he thinks it's awesome. He's like, you took my dream job. Like when he was younger, like he was like making money from it, but it wasn't like, it was hard with kids and stuff, and so he had to, when it wasn't as consistent, you know, it'd be tough. So he didn't go full time for long with trading, but he always wishes that he did give it everything. So now he just does it in his spare time on the side.
Fire.
But yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, cool. No one else. No, none of my siblings actually trade, guys. It's a joke.
Well, it's not true. MS Gufo says he's learning from Hannah. So like your dad learned from Hannah too. Damn.
Yeah, Hannah's the real trader around here. What? No.
Oh, that's funny.
Imagine like getting Hannah.
9 a.m. UK volume, by the way. This is Tokyo Stock Exchange closed.
Let's hopefully get some price action volume. I just hate right now. Can't get a setup until we make a clean move somewhere. Really, we haven't been able to get anywhere since London Open, since Frankfurt Open. Even just been chopping. Jesse James. I always read that. I always think about Pokemon when I read that username. Celine, how many years have you been trading? Pretty much. This will be in October, 3 years full time. Shout out to Caustic says, shout out to Aussie traders getting amongst the London session. Hell yeah. Shout out to any Aussies right now. It's 6 p.m. Right now in Melbourne. So shout out to you guys.
6 p.m. is wild.
Yes, that's why it's gone super dark.
Rush. Selena, is this your real voice? I mean, her real AI voice, yeah.
This is my real voice.
She's like, I'm Batman.
I'm Batman.
That's pretty good. Pretty good impression.
It's pretty good, huh? I've been practicing.
Oh, chat, if you get 56 more viewers, we have 1,000. Look at that. Tell your friends. Tell your mom. Tell your sister.
Get to it.
Tell your dog. Tell everybody.
Guys, let's get to our first. I mean, no, I think we have broken 1,000 before, but still, let's do it again.
On London stream?
I swear we've done it like once before. Surely.
Really?
I remember. We did. Yeah.
Now that makes it less cool.
Still, it's cool, Nick. It's cool whenever we get 1,000.
That's true. Come on, Nasdaq, tap me in. Come on, Nasdaq, tap me in.
Mortad Hamad, bring back the 20 limit orders, both sides of the trade. No. We don't want to see Nick gambling again.
I don't gamble.
I just got no words. I don't gamble. That's what they all say, chat. That's what they all say.
Jesse James asking, Celine, what made you start trading?
really just being in COVID was the initial time when I looked into trading, because things in Australia were not looking so good, like long term, being in the 9 to 5 and needing to make side hustle and, you know, passive income was on my mind. I was also like getting into property investments and things at the time, and then yeah, that's pretty much it, just making a side passive income stream. And then the only time I switched to, I sort of gave up after that during COVID, because I was trading with the MT5, like real live account, and I sort of didn't have the patience or the discipline to trade with real money. And then it wasn't until 2023 when I discovered prop, and then properly like actually gave it a go and studied
properly.
And, yeah, properly gave prop a go. But yeah, that's pretty much why.
Nice.
It became it became full-time income rather than passive. That's where we're at.
We smashed a like goal.
Hell yeah! We at 1,000 viewers or what?
No, not yet. 34 more. Whew. So I'll wait with the giveaway, chat. I'll give you a chance. I mean, it's not
Come
that we
on,
could
guys,
influence
go and
anything,
bring
but
everyone you know,
we
everyone
might
in your
get
household. Everyone needs to.
1,000.
We need to be ready to stream something.
VXP. I was right about bias. What bias? Raj says hitting stop loss today. There is none. Impossible.
Potentially eyeing up if we invert this 1 minute gap now. Potentially a long for me here, but.
Ooh, Celine joining the long gang.
Mm-hmm.
GRV Sing, the yellow line is a 200 EMA. And I'm on a 5-minute chart.
Celine, was Australia too strict during COVID lockdowns, etc.? I heard bad things. Oh, I will not get into that here because I could talk forever on that. And we don't want to turn this political, but we had it pretty bad. We were the longest in Melbourne, like specifically in Melbourne. We were the longest in lockdown in the entire world, almost a full year lockdown. And for part of that, we weren't even allowed. We had like a 10-kilometer radius. We were allowed to leave our homes, and you weren't allowed to see people, and it was just tough. But yeah, pretty shit.
Raj asking, where's your stop loss? I've been trying to find it, but I just can't find it. I don't get it. It's weird. I don't know.
Can someone find it for him, please?
Yeah, that would help. Actually, though, TradeX Investing asked, where will you cut your position if it doesn't bounce? If we get a 5-minute candle closure through 360 to the downside, then I will manually close it.
Are we going to get this inversion or what?
Just so you know. Charles, what's the reason for the long? Unfortunately, I have explained it like 17,000 times in this stream. So if you want to know, you got to go back in replay mode. You can actually just scroll back in the stream and listen to me explaining it. Short answer, it's a GP trade. Oh, interesting question. James is asking, Celine, what made you not give up when you first started trading?
No, wait, does he mean I did give up when I first started trading? Oh. I think maybe you heard me wrong, but when I first started trading in 2021, I did give up. And that's because, like, the reason why I did give up, if that's your question, is because I just couldn't handle the losses and losing real money and sort of like not seeing consistent profits. I just didn't have the patience for that. And I also wasn't in a place financially to just be like losing that much money. And I just wasn't aware of props at the time. So if I had been, if Tradeify was around back then yeah, maybe I would have stuck at it and just risked like $50, $100 in an eval account. But back then I had like a $500 live account and I was just blowing that. So yeah, it was more like gambling back then. Didn't have a strategy. Used to use like some indicators and bits and pieces, but didn't really take it so seriously. And so, yeah, I gave up.
Oh, no. Oh, is it going to finally tap me in?
Dropping into daily open. Is your limit at daily open?
Yes. Tap me in. Come on. Come on now. Do it.
Hey, bye, Jimmy Trades. Probably dinner time.
Oh, there it is. Finally.
There we
yeah.
go. There we go. All right.
Okay.
I'm loving along here if I get the inversion.
Just saying, as I told you before, I'm going to set some orders at the 60-70 zone. Up here. That's for TPs, and then let the rest ride. Let the rest ride.
I will potentially ride this with you if I get an inversion.
Will you though?
Belly
Let's
open
see.
bounce. Here we go.
Let's
Here we go. I want the reaction there on the 1 minute. Come on. If we get the inversion on the 1 minute, I will market order that long. And if not, if it just wants to drop more, I'm just going to wait. Potential Asia low sweep and then
drop it like it's hot. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see.
By the way, did we hit 1,000 viewers? Because I have not been paying attention.
Nah, we're 16 away. 984.
We're so close. Guys, go and tell your neighbors right now.
Your neighbors?
Your friggin' whoever, if you're in a cafe, go and tell the baristas, go and tell everyone, the freaking people sitting next to you, wherever you are right now.
2 more. Chat, 2 more. Come on now. 2 more.
Come on, let's go.
Come on. Shimon.
Chat, if you're new, make sure you subscribe. Hit the subscribe button so you guys can join us in the chat and comment and we can talk, and also smash the like button.
For
We're
real?
going to be doing a crazy giveaway here if we hit 1,000 viewers.
Yeah. Oh, we lost 6. No, now we need 9. We need
Guys,
9. Chat.
Help.
9, 9, 9, 9.
Oh,
Nice.
that was a drop
I like
there.
the speed of that drop. Let me add 1 more.
I'm thinking like we dropped to this Asia low level now. I'm thinking 27,388. Uptick trades another.
Wait.
My bad.
Go ahead. Go ahead. No rush.
I was just going to say another Aussie trader feel like we're a rare breed. Yeah, some of us really are uptick trades because Aussie hours for trading just are not it. So it is rare when you come across another Aussie trader, but shout out.
That's crazy, yeah. Let's give you that.
What were you going to say?
There's this one guy in the chat. His name is TradeX Investing. Says, Nick, Rise of Nations is better than Age of Empires. Might be. Never played it, but I love Age of Empires, so. Bada bing, bada bong.
Damn, did we drop that much, Lucifer? People literally left when we said we need 1,000 and they just rolling.
Oh, wait, we're so close.
Why?
We were so close. We're literally 3 away or something. Dang it.
I think because if they were the Aussies, then they probably dropped off for dinner. This is like 6, 10 p.m. right
Mom called.
now. Dinner.
They're like, oh, fuck yeah. Dinner.
But if they're real goats, they should be bringing us to dinner.
Word.
6 STN 6. Nick, Slim, whenever you add to your trade your TP/stop loss updates in quantity. For me, it doesn't on TradingView. How it's done? Is it a setting? Mine doesn't. I have to update it myself.
I'm not on TradingView. I'm on TradeC. That's why.
Costa Fury. No dinner for this Aussie trader. I want to eat the gains.
Oh yeah,
that's right.
Eat the gains.
Only gains for dinner around here. I don't know. I don't like this now for longs until we get a sweep of Asia. I'm waiting.
I hope we
really did just like completely inverse this whole Asia move, like that massive pump that we had. We've pretty much traced all of that move.
Roman, let's go back to my screen. I'm still in the trade. Thank
Raj,
you.
of course there will be a giveaway today. There's already been one. If you guys were here early enough, there was already one, and there will be a second. But we're waiting to hit 1,000 viewers first.
I just can't believe that we got to 998.
These people are trolling.
How did we get to 998 viewers and then it dropped back down to 966?
No, for real. Guys, don't go anywhere. Go and get everyone you know to be on this stream. We just want to see 1,000 and then we'll do the giveaway.
It's crazy. It's crazy, chat.
All right, let's see. Someone's taking my head now.
Trader Ben FX in the chat. Chat, you're cooked.
Oh, no.
He's winning that giveaway. There's no way anybody else could ever win.
Well, highlight time, Selena, you an ICT trader. I never liked that banner to be called an ICT trader, but I do trade ICT concepts. Yes, absolutely. That's who I learned from. So yeah, I don't like being called.
Saying, but actually, she learned from Hannah Tater. So
yeah, whatever. I'm not gonna even get into that, guys.
She's an
Hannah
HTT
is the
trader.
least financially literate person you will ever meet.
She's an HTI trader.
What is this?
Hannah
Stock
Tater
market?
indicator trader. You know it. It's fine. You don't have to be ashamed of it. It's completely fine to be learning from your own sister. It's cool.
Nick, you are spreading false information out there. Like, really, Chad, I should be suing.
I would
Yes,
never.
you.
I would never. And you know it.
Lies.
You know
It's
it.
all lies.
You know it, Celine.
I think Asia Low incoming. Where's your Asia Low at, by the way? What? Where is it? Tell me.
There is no my Asia Low. There's just the Asia Low, okay? It is at
1,000.
366. 1,000 views. Let me take a screenshot. Fast.
Screenshot.
Ah. Oh, did I get it? No!
Nick, take it again. Chat, quick.
It was changing from 1,000 to 998 while I was taking the screenshot. Chat, nobody can make this up. Nobody can make this up. Look at the screenshot. Wait.
Nick, you had one job.
No. Wait. This is wild, chat. How did I take this screenshot? Look at this.
Roman, we need you to do the screenshot because Nick is incompetent.
Nah. Well, you didn't take it, so shut up. But look.
Oh, Nick,
how did I take this screenshot here? How? How is this even fucking possible?
Oh my gosh.
Dang it. But you know what? Roman is the GOAT and Roman got it. So whatever. Doesn't matter.
Hell yeah. 1,001. We did it, chat. London stream is officially
goated.
Huge. Goated. I don't know.
You guys are goated.
Let's do this giveaway, shall we?
Giveaway? 5x giveaway. We'll do it. We'll do it a bit later. But you unlocked it, chat. You unlocked it. So we got over 1,000 viewers. We got 707 likes. Actually, 787 now. So awesome, which is fire. But we're gonna do the giveaway a bit later. Shortly before I go, I gotta go 10 minutes earlier today. Before I leave, we're gonna do the giveaway.
Done. Be there, chat, because it's gonna be a big one. It's gonna be a big one.
You better be there. You better be there. Woo.
Stoli, new here. Where is the form? Do you link it later? Yes, we will send it multiple times in the chat later on, just before we spin the wheel to do the giveaway. So make sure you're here in the chat as well.
For real. Also, now that we get 1,000 people here, do not forget on Fridays on this stream we play Mario Kart. It's called Mario Kart Fridays. Whoever beats me at Mario Kart on a Friday gets a free Tradeify account. So better get practicing, get your switches ready, charge them up, because this Friday is going down, okay? It's going down.
We do, let me say, we do also trade here on Fridays, but
Yes,
sometimes it is a quieter market on a Friday, so we can play some Mario Kart.
Fact.
We trade and we game because let's face it, sometimes markets are boring and we just need a bit of entertainment, and that's Fridays. So be there if you want to verse Nick in Mario Kart.
Yeah.
Finally,
yes, it's Switch only.
And we need someone to beat him because right now Nick is on a winning streak. Okay.
3 viewers have tried, 3 viewers have failed. Let's see if somebody can beat me on Friday.
Delia says, I remember when London stream had 100 viewers. Nice to see it at 1,000. Hell yeah. It is so cool to see like 1,000 people. I remember when I joined, it was even like around when I first started streaming with you. Yeah, maybe 300-ish on like a good day. So we have significantly grown. Like I'm so happy to be a part of Tradeify. We just continuing to, to the moon. Sky's the limit.
Oh yeah, because of you guys. Thank you. We do it for you. You show up. Fire.
Mr. Drop says someone vibe code a Mario Kart bot that beats Nick. Oh, please, someone do that. Jake says my son is crazy good at Mario Kart. Okay, Jake, can he be available on Friday? Please make sure your son is available on this Friday and bring him on. Please.
Imagine your son getting a free Tradeify account for you. That's pretty sick, honestly. Hey, big shout out to Ursula. She says, it's great to see growth, loving it. Ursula, you've been here almost every single day. We see you. You always say hello. You always say good morning. You're always positive. We love you. Thank you. Appreciate you being here. You and Nico Han, both.
Yeah, shout out to the OGs that have been here, that have seen us through 50 viewers and seen us here at 1,000 viewers. You guys are the goats.
Oh, yeah. Fire. Mr. Derp says, put that little guy to work. Is this child labor?
I know. Okay. Like, how young are we talking? Like, should he be in school?
He's 14, he said. Sahil says, Nick, I love you, mate. I love you too. Sahil.
Guys, you know what's so weird? This is just so random, but since I moved back to Melbourne, I've got a temporary number, and I think it's been used somehow by someone else, and I keep getting the weirdest messages, and I don't know how to make it.
Wait! Tell us about those messages. What are you getting?
So like, I've received multiple times. This is actually really sad, but someone's died, and I'm getting these like condolences messages. Like, hello, Claudia, or who is it? They think I'm someone called Claudia, and apparently my sister's passed away. And
oh no, not the annotator.
No, for real. And it's actually really sad. And I keep saying, guys, you have not reached out to the right person. Like, I'm really sorry. And yeah, wrong number. And it keeps like spamming me. And then someone said like, someone's just said like, thanks for the delicious meal. Delicious dinner, something about the wines. Let's book in tonight. It's actually crazy. I'm getting really like, how does that happen?
Number that recently was active.
Richard would like to come too, but if it's already booked, let us know and I can book tonight.
I would troll these people so hard. I can't lie. I would troll them so hard.
I feel terrible. No,
I have a headache and I can't come. I'm really sorry.
I know, right? I should. But like, I feel sad. Obviously, people that were trying to get their condolences out, I had to let them know because I was like, sorry, this did not reach the person you were trying to get to.
Yeah, that's fair. But those for like dinner reservations.
The dinner date ones.
Actually, it's Ultra Sky has a great point there. Just show up to the dinner.
Lol, that would
be like,
weird.
yeah, look, I got this message. You invited me. What the hell?
What should I say?
Or Shen Long is right and it's a scammer. Could be.
Yeah, but it's like a full-on, like, I was a bit slow this morning after the gallons of wine last night we consumed. Ha ha ha. But I'm in for Thursday night, and Richard would love to come too. But if it's already booked, let us know, and I can, like, I don't know. This
So
feels
yeah,
like a
unfortunately,
legitimate
it's already
person.
booked. I'm sorry.
All right, what should I say? Should we should we troll this person?
This is the London troll message. All right, London.
All right.
Everybody, chat. Put your ideas in the chat, which you should respond.
I'll pick the funniest one. So it's basically someone saying, "Thanks for the great evening. I was a bit slow this morning after all the gallons of wine we consumed, but they want to rebook. So they want to rebook whoever they think they're talking to for another evening.
Ooh.
And they also want to bring Richard."
Imagine you say, "Hey, I'm really sorry. Unfortunately, I had some change of plans and I can't come. However, the bill is on me tonight."
No, but it's for...
And then they feast. And then the bill is not on you.
No, I couldn't. No, I need something a little less. I need something more tame, Nick. I can't be that extreme.
That would be great.
Guys, they're trying to make plans for Thursday. Oh, Richard is not welcome, but feel free to join me. Dinner is on. Should I say no, Richard?
Fuck Richard, guys.
All right. The wine you drank was last of the stock, and you left Richard here. Come pick him up.
What?
What? You should say the evening wasn't the same for you, and they were bad in bed. Oh my, guys, no, we don't know what we're dealing with here.
Oh.
Tradex investing is getting way too... No.
Oh, he's getting way too invested in that.
Richard tried to cheat. No, guys, you guys are insane. I don't want to go that deep in
Why
case...
is Richard sending me dick pics? Yes.
I thought it was Bob. No, the last one, lucky one, that's crazy. I thought it was Bob who was Richard.
Some people in the chat have definitely been doing this too much.
Seriously.
Damn.
Raphael. No, this is getting intense. This is just like too much now. I can't.
Wait, what's he saying?
That's just crazy. I can't even read it out.
Oh, bro.
I feel like we should be banned for that. You guys are just being weirdos.
give me a little 5-minute ban. Go in the corner and think about what you just said. Oh no, I banned the wrong person. No, I'm sorry.
No.
Oh
my
gosh.
How long did you ban for?
Yo,
oh my God.
Finora Hub, I'm really sorry. Finora Hub, I didn't mean to ban you. I wanted to ban Raphael. I'm sorry, Finora.
That's terrible.
I only banned you for 5 minutes. Come back in 5 minutes. I'll give you 5 entries for the giveaway. 5 entries for the giveaway. For every minute I banned you, you get an additional entry.
I just joined you in the longs, by the way.
Oh, okay. Nice.
We in these longs.
Oh, that's funny.
550.
I just banned somebody.
That's actually terrible.
Everybody's like, ban me too, ban me too, ban me too.
Yeah, you guys are too smart.
Genius. Mark Coco says, can you ban me for 30 minutes? And then, wait, the giveaway is already over by then. Yeah, I can. Andre's asking, Celine, what's your plan on the trade?
Yeah, okay, so I was just putting the orders in. That's why I was like looking a bit serious here. But
all good.
Basically the usual. I am going to be taking a partial off a 1-to-1 if we get back up there, which is 27,444. And then if we get up there to that 1-to-1, I'll go break even. And then I'm pretty much holding because I do expect us to just pump. I expect us to keep moving back to the upside. We have all these relatively equal highs up above here that we created towards the high of the Asia session. So I would like us to get back up into that's level is 27,536 is the full target on this trade. So it is quite a large target I'm going for, but to take profit at 1-to-1 and go break even on the rest is the
Wait,
plan.
What's your target again? Sorry?
Like the full target, yeah. I'm looking for a move all the way to 27,536.50.
Oh, okay. My final is 518.50. So we're in the same region.
Just a little bit higher. But yeah, stops are just below that previous 15-minute low. I really hope we don't make a move for that Asia low. Really hope we're just gonna move on out of here. I'm just checking ES to see if we had a sweep of There was an SMT there. Nope. Okay. All right, now we let it ride.
Let it ride. Trades by Arjun says 1K done. Yeah, we did it before. Fucking sick. So we're gonna do a giveaway with a 5x multiplier today. Could get expensive. I could potentially get fired. We'll find out.
It's still worth it.
You know what, chat? I'll already spin the wheel to see what we're giving away after. Okay. So 5x growth, 5x select, and 5x lightning. Because you smacked 1,000 viewers, we smacked 707 likes. What we're giving away once we do the giveaway is, I hope this doesn't get too expensive.
Ooh.
Oh, okay. That's nice though. That's nice. 25K. So 5 25K select accounts. That's for the giveaway that we're going to do after. That is fire. Imagine you're getting fucking 5 accounts for free.
Guys, there's no link yet. There's no link. Don't worry.
Not yet.
Just wait. We will be doing it very soon, so hang on.
Yep.
Just hang on another like 10 or 15 minutes.
Yes. We're going to do it in about 10 minutes. So if you need to go to the toilet, do it now. Don't miss the giveaway.
Quadruple or nothing? Whoa. Then we really will be getting fired. You guys want to see us fired or something?
Also, you can't have more than 5 funded accounts, so it doesn't make sense.
Mr. Market, please go up. Mr. Market. Hey, I got a pen here actually. That doesn't do the...
Market, please go up. Mr. Market, please go up. You got to do it with the pen, though.
Yeah, but it's not a clicky pen.
It works like this. Mr. Market, please go up. 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 Mr. Market, please go up.
It works, guys. If you just keep doing that and keep pumps.
Works every time, 60% of the time. Yep.
Maybe
GG to the winner. This opportunity can be life-changing. Absolutely. It's true.
Mm-hmm. We're here to change lives. That's what we're here to do. Nick, we forgot the cookies and milk.
Oh, he needs some milk.
NQ likes some cookies and milk. Don't forget your cookies and milk when you're trading NQ.
It's true.
All right, there we go. Oh, and the magnet. Can't forget the magnet.
Now you can't mix the strategies. Don't do all of them.
Oh. Okay.
It's kind of like they balance themselves out, you know? So if you add cookies and milk and a magnet, then it's not working. If you only do magnet, it works. If you only do cookies and milk, it works. Well, cookies and milk, I found out, has a higher win rate than magnets. So that's why I do cookies and milk.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah, makes sense.
Look, NQ wants those cookies and milk. Come on, NQ. It's just a little bit higher.
Exactly.
Put a rocket booster below also. Oh, does that work as well?
But it's mixing strategies again.
Yeah, no, we don't want to mix.
Yeah.
Black Interval, bro, Salim, we had the exact same entry. That is so sick. Let's go, Black Interval. Let's ride.
Let's ride.
Kids, makes sense. I'm motivated by cookies and milk, so of course the markets would be too. That's exactly how it works.
Oh, yeah. Just find out what you like and then give the market the same.
But what cookies are? For me, it's like choc chip.
Chocolate chip cookies and milk? Hell yeah. Fire.
Yeah. Nothing else beats the OG chocolate chip.
Well, you just like the browser cookies because you're AI, but I like the chocolate chip and milk.
Whatever.
Johnny Jack says, Nick and Celine, do 5 people instead of 1. No.
Oh. Wait, I'm kind of like...
Nah. One person gets 5
All right, the
accounts.
Nictator speaks. Whoa, the Nictator speaks, chat.
One person is a goat and everybody else is a loser.
Whoa. Nictator, calm down, buddy.
Nah. Lady,
Yeah, you gotta hit him with the buddy when he talks like that.
lady, watch your mouth.
I'll watch my mouth, buddy, as soon as you watch yours.
Robot says, if I win, can I bring Richard?
Richard's busy on Thursday, just so you know, guys. Richard has dinner. Seriously, it's the weirdest thing. I also had a call like asking for an Anthony. So that means my number's being used by 2 people. They're like, oh, I'm looking for Anthony. I was like, Anthony.
Wait, what's the other name?
Claire or Claudia? I can't remember.
Oh, we gotta ask Claudia next time she's on.
We should. Mr. Job, Celine, you are the CEO. Don't get bullied by your employee. You're so right. I gotta remember that. Gotta remember my place around here. I'm the boss. I am the boss.
The actual boss in this house where you are is the one and only annotator. Just saying.
Well, then explain why she's out of the house right now, huh? Because I kicked her out.
She doesn't have to be at home and work like a slave.
You calling what I do slave work?
Slavery. James, who's the CEO of Tradeify? Celine AI.
That's right. I'll make all the calls around here, chat. So what do you want to see? 5 people win? 5 people win or 5 accounts?
Also, Coley, how old am I? Take a guess.
$13. He plays Mario Kart.
Okay, chat. If you want 5 winners, type 5 winners. If you want 1 winner, type 1 winner. They
Give
really
the people
want
what they
winners.
want. Give the people what they want. Give the people what they want.
Oh, God. Annoying
The
piece.
CEO has spoken. 5 winners. 5 winners. It's
They really
5.
want
5
Yeah, they want
100% wins.
They want 5, okay. Cool, we'll do what Celine says. Hey,
Oh, Leah.
Leah.
your comment.
Hello from somewhere above Switzerland. Heyo. Hey there. What's up? Have a good flight.
Sion goes at Brett Simba. Guys, what's going on? Yeah.
What? Kiss says 1,000 winners. Yeah. No.
Not yet. Maybe 10,000 viewers?
Leah says Wi-Fi on the plane is pretty sick. Yeah. Wi-Fi on the plane is fire.
You trading up there, Leia, or are you taking the day off? All right, guys. I think we decided on 5.
Yeah.
I think it's decided.
It's going to be 5 winners. Don't you worry, chat. Everybody's getting paid.
Woohoo! I want to get paid.
Yippee!
We're getting paid, chat. We're getting paid today. Mr. Market, please go up.
Mr. Market, please go up. Mr. Market, please go up. Mr. Market, please go up.
We're going to be eating good tonight, Mexican Dance.
Yeah, with Richard.
With Richard. No, Richard is booked in on Thursday. Not tonight.
Oh, sorry. I mixed it up again.
Why don't we check in with that number on Thursday's stream and just be like, hey, I'm really sorry. Richard couldn't make it. Are we still on?
That's funny.
4 winners and take Richard out for cocktails.
Certified Trading BDH Master says, hello, I'm here just for the giveaway, not more. Okay, yeah. Get the fuck out of here, man.
What he said.
Mahat says, Celine, you're beautiful and stuff now. Can I get an account?
Wow.
Love
That
this.
doesn't work around here, chat. Just so you know. I'm not
Nope.
that weak. Nope.
We need a
CEO
London
here,
versus New York contest, Wig Sweeper. Well, we already won. The views are higher.
That's right. You guys go ahead and tell New York session they need to up their game. All right? You go and tell that Spuddy.
Everybody goes
I
to
hear-
New York and be like, London session beats view-wise. and then Miriam and Spuddy are going to think I said it. No.
Yeah, shit.
Ah.
Go on, and especially tell them that Nick said to tell you. Done.
No. Chat.
Go on.
There will be
need
no more
this.
giveaways this week if you do that. No more giveaways.
No, that is not fair.
Zero.
Alright, fine. Fine. Nick is so Switzerland. This is as Switzerland as it gets. Typical Swiss guy.
Yeah, nah, this is a dictatorship here. Chat. Don't just try. Do some shit like that.
This isn't nice, Celine. Okay, alright. I was just trying to make a joke.
We're already giving you guys 5 winners instead of 1 winner.
True. True. Nick, I love what you've done with your neck. Now can I get an account?
No,
Oh,
you can't.
that's
But you can get a pizza, Jonathan. You can get a pizza. As usual. You know the drill. I got you saved in my Uber Eats, so I can send you pizza whenever I want, man.
Wow, you're moving up in the world, Jonathan. You're in Nick's Uber Eats now.
Oh yeah.
How does one get into your Uber Eats?
Next thing I'm sending Richard to you.
Just not on Thursday. Richard's busy on Thursday.
Yeah, you can. Leia says that's what I think at least. Wait, what did you say? Not unless it becomes a standing user. I'm talking to somebody else. Sion says, Nick, I like your Mario Kart skills. Can I get a cheese pizza? Yes. Oh yeah, Leia, you need to order me pizza, but we're gonna do that when you're on stream. Also, Julianne also owes me pizza. We got 2 people now. That's kind of fun.
Really?
So Leia and Julianne both owe me pizza. Yeah.
Wait, what happened with the second guy?
Julianne, it's a her, but
Julianne,
when Brett was on stream, the giveaway bot thing wasn't working, and he said, "Let's just go." Oh no, the giveaway bot was working, but people didn't claim their prize. And then we were like, okay, let's just do the blind scroll thingy. And then I did the blind scroll and landed on Julianne, and her comment says, "If you pick me, I'll get you free pizza." And I was like, "Fuck yeah, jackpot!"
2 pizzas. Wow.
Fidelia? How does it feel to be someone's pizza daddy? It feels awesome, man. The responsibility is a bit much, but feels good.
Spidelius had a participant on giveaways first time here. Well, first of all, welcome. We love all the newbies that we have on Tradeify TV right now. We just smashed 1,000 viewers today. But every day we do a giveaway, and multiple giveaways, and we will give you guys a form. And once we give you guys the form, all you have to do is just fill it in. It's really quick, and then we do a spin the wheel, and it's as simple as that. And somebody wins every single day here. Good morning, Ray Foria. Good morning. Wish you guys good week. Thanks. I wish it a good week for us too. Right now, Nick and I are both in the longs, guys. Pray for us.
We are in those longs. That's true.
Yes, Caustic Fury. Is there an account for who spanks Nick Tater at Mario Kart? Spanks? I don't know about that, but yes, whoever beats Nick Tater at Mario Kart, we will get an account for real. We need to see it happen.
Facts.
Longs are just so slow, really. Come on. Come on.
Come on, do the radio.
It's Friday night.
Exactly. My words, Celine.
Yes. Come on, NQ. If we do get to 27,444, that very special number, I'll go break even. We'll take some partials off. We'll have the cookies and milk. And then we'll sit back.
Leah, you heard right. There is a Tradeify official Mario Kart every Friday on London stream from now on. It's called Mario Kart Fridays. So, hell yeah.
We trade as well, guys. But we also play.
Yeah, we do.
We're cool.
Don't you worry. Okay, chat, I hope you all took your bathroom break. Because now it is time for the 5x giveaway. Meaning we're going to pick 5 winners. 5 winners. Each of those winners gets a 25k select account. Now, very important. For you to participate in this giveaway, you have to like the stream. You have to subscribe to the channel. And once I send you the Google form, fill out that Google form. If you filled it out before, you have to do it again. I deleted everybody. Fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the Google form is, you will get disqualified as well. Now, very important. If you're one of the 5 winners, you have to claim in the chat, meaning you have to type something in the chat once you are announced as a winner. And then you have to add your email address to your YouTube channel description. This email address needs to be your email that you use to log into your Tradeify accounts. Okay? So just so you know. So like it up, subscribe. I'll send you the link to the Google form right now. Here we go.
Let's do this. So we're doing 5 winners. 5 of you are going to each win an account. Unreal. What a day. It's Monday and we're already starting the week off like this. This is going to be a great week. It's going to be good. Also, TP incoming. Let's go, NQ. Come on. Bump it up. Bump it up. Got to bump it up.
So wait, you being in the same trade as me and you calling me a gambler now makes you a gambler?
Hold on. I have a stop loss and a take profit clearly in place. Okay?
I do too.
I am not gambling. You have a stop loss in?
No, but a take profit.
This guy. All right, come on. There's one little
Moonlight.
push.
Remember to give the person you banned the extra 5 entries. Damn it, who was it? Let me scroll back
Try
up.
yourself.
Go back up. Who did I ban?
Who did I ban?
If I see the name, I will know who it is. Person, type something.
Let us know. Beyond Edge?
Nope, wasn't you. Liar. Banned. I'm kidding.
Oh.
Roman, if you
Alright,
go to my screen, oh, actually, no, funny. You can stay on Celine's too. Like we both have our first TP at the same level.
Oh, 444? 444. Let's go.
No, I got mine at 441.
Okay, you'll be first.
Actually, not true. My bad. 445. So yours comes first.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, Roman, we'll quickly do. If it gets there, we'll do mine, and then we'll quickly switch to Nick so we can see his. 444. Let's go. It's never good luck if you pick up the money gun too soon. Actually, let's put that down. What am I doing?
Can't jinx it. Never.
Who's got a good song for this moment?
Well, we're gonna pick a winner now. We promised.
All right, true. All right, run the giveaway. Let's do it.
All right.
I'll
Roman,
tell you guys if
screen.
it hits.
Okay, nice. My screen, Roman. Let's see. Copying everybody over. As said, everybody, 5 winners. Each get a 25k select account. You guys voted for that. We're gonna have 5 winners. First winner today. Actually, today. What am I even saying? This is not the first winner of today. Just the first winner for this giveaway is. Let me spin. First winner is.
Here we go.
Boom. Maddie Matto. Type something in the chat.
Congrats.
10, 15 seconds to claim. In the meantime, we'll go to charts.
Don't you know? Pump it up. Hey.
Maddie is there. Okay, great. Then second winner. Removing Maddie. Actually, you know what? No, everybody can win twice, or 3 times, or 4 times, or 5 times if they're really lucky. Okay, second winner of a 25k select account is Caneman Q7G. Caneman Q7G. Show yourself.
All right, second winner. Let's go.
Caneman Q7G.
Are you with us?
Are you with us, sir?
No, but NQ is really close there. 2 points away.
All right.
Oh, wait.
You there? Caneman. Caneman.
And say something in the chat so we know you're there and we can keep going with the giveaway.
Come on now, Caneman. Come on. Okay,
All right,
didn't
all
claim.
right.
Next. Spinning. Removing Caneman. Next.
Oh, I'm like half a tick away from TP.
Oh,
Ugh.
we're gonna get it. Don't worry.
All right, let's spin.
Okay, Volatility Viper. Volatility Viper. Type something in the chat.
Let's go. That's winner number 3, chat. Congrats.
Well, one didn't claim.
Okay, true.
Come on, Volatility Viper. Type fast. I gotta go.
Quick.
Fast. Don't got time for that. For you not claiming. Volatility Viper. Type.
All right, yeah, we have to.
Okay, he's there.
Oh, he's
Boom.
there.
Good. Next. Third winner. Okay, third winner is Anil Kumar VJ. Anil Kumar VJ. Type something in the chat. Anil Kumar VJ. Where are you at?
Quick, guys, because yeah, Nick does have to run off quickly.
I had to go 1 minute ago. Come on.
Run.
Fast. Anil Kumar, where are you at?
Oh my gosh, for real, guys, just put a W or something.
Just anything. For real. For real. Anil Kumar.
Oh,
where you
he's
at?
there. He's there.
Okay,
Yep.
perfect. Adding you to the list. Next up. Oh, we got TP1 here.
TP smashed. There's a quick money gun.
TP1.
Whoop. All right.
Okay, next one. Fourth winner. Fourth winner is Say Stram. Say Stram, where you at? Also, while we wait for Say to type something in the chat, I really gotta go. I don't have time for this, but I gotta do it anyways. Wait. 1 second. Quick shout out to Wizard Trades. Says Nick Strat sucks. I just hit TP1. Also, quick shout out to our one and only Amin, who says it will not go up, bro. And then also, third shout out to our one and only. Let me see. 1 second.
Come on.
There we go. NDBCN finding the trend zone. Yeah. Okay, cool. We hit TP1. All right. Is he there? Is he there? Say Stram.
Say Stram.
Oh yeah, he's there. Found you.
Oh yes.
Okay. Last winner. Quick. I gotta go. Last winner. Here we go.
Oh my gosh, quick, guys. Whoever is next, make sure you do a really quick comment.
Yeah. Fast. Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay. Oh, say Stram again. Hell yeah, my friend. Hell
What?
yeah. Fire.
Oh my gosh. That's
Wait, let
a
me just double
first.
check.
Damn.
Let me just double check if you're twice. Nope. You only filled it out once. Congrats.
Hell yeah.
Fire.
Wow.
Fire.
What a day for that guy. All right, Nick, get out
I
of
really
here.
gotta go. Not even gonna do an outro. Celine is gonna do that
You
after,
go.
but I gotta go. Quick. See you tomorrow.
Bye. Thanks for staying. Bye. All right, chat. Woo! We just had one crazy giveaway. We gave away to 4 different people because one guy just won 2 accounts. So that guy, go put everything on black today at the casino because that is one lucky day for you. We've never had that before on Tradeify TV when the same guy wins twice. So that's exciting. Now Nick and I have both just hit TP1 on this long. I've now got stops break even. Just a quick update on the trade. Break even, and I am actually targeting Asia highs just a bit below Asia high there. 536.50 is the full TP on this. But for anyone who has any questions quickly before we close out the stream about the trade, or W chat if you guys took the longs, if you took the second trade with me, we are green on the day, although we did take an L earlier. But this is why you don't hesitate. The second setup, I say it all the time. If you do take a loss, do not let it affect your mental clarity or anything. You just got to stick to the plan, trade the plan. That's all you got to do. But yeah, let me know if you guys have questions about any of the trades. But yeah, is it going to new all-time highs anytime soon? Good question. I'm gonna say yes. I'm not a fortune teller. I'm not a market maker either, but why not? Every single day we've already made new all-time highs today, and why not sweep out and make another new all-time high? Why the hell not is what I say. Steve Agati, when is the next stream? This is my first time. All right, so for any of you new here to Tradeify TV, we do trade 3 to 5 a.m. Eastern for the London, Frankfurt / London session. And we also trade a New York session full. We stream the full 8 hours from 8:30 a.m. Eastern. So make sure you're there to join the New York team from 8:30 Eastern. Turtle Soup, explain your reasoning behind the trade, please. All right, cool. So reason I was in this trade is because let me just go back a bit. Basically what I was looking for was a reaction once previous 4-hour low has been swept. Yes, we did get the sweep earlier on in the session at Frankfurt Open. Pretty much we swept out previous 4-hour low, and then I was waiting for a reaction with the previous 15-minute low sweep, which we did have a minor SMT here. So NQ swept this low, very small, although it is classified as sweep because the price of this candle at 4:15 went below the price of the candle at 4:09. So this was the previous 15-minute low. And as long as we go trade below that, I classify that as a sweep. So the low of that candle that swept was 27,388, and the low of this candle was 388.25. So literally a tick, but it did go below. So that is classified as sweep for me. Once I've got that reaction, I'm waiting for a 1-minute inversion to occur. So that didn't happen until this candle here printed at 424, and as that printed I entered at market because that's my reaction on the 1 minute that I'm looking for a bullish signal to say that there is some bullish momentum here off this sweep. And yeah, that is why I entered at market, and that was a trade. Stop was just a bit below the previous 15-minute low just to allow room to be wicked out of there. And then yeah, that is pretty much why I was in it. Break even on the rest now, and yeah, we'll see where this takes us. Thanks for the entertainment on while on the plane. Hell yeah, Leah. I hope maybe you've let your fellow passengers sitting next to you know about Tradeify TV while you're on there. No, but all kidding. Hope you've had a safe journey home, Leah. Celine, could you please show your indicator settings? Absolutely. I just have them set right now to only show me entries within the first 10 minutes of the 15-minute open without a minimum stop loss size and with a minimum FVG size of 1. So the FVG that I'm looking to get inverted has to have a size of at least 1 point. Anything smaller than that I'm not considering as an inversion. But yes. What is the indicator in the bottom right? Indicator in the bottom right is also part of my indicator. It just basically shows me the sweeps and the inversions, etc. Lets me know when they happen, and that way I can be fully informed. Sometimes I'm just not very fully focused on the charts when I'm on stream because I'm reading the chat and whatnot, but at least I've got the indicator that just gives me a tick and I don't have to think too much. There is a link in my Instagram, yes, to the indicator that I use. The one I had built personally by a PineScript developer. But guys, is anyone in any other trades? We're about to close out the stream here. That was a fun 3-hour stream. We gave away not one account. We gave away 5 accounts to 4 different people, which is crazy. Never happened before on the London session. And we smashed 1,000 views. So it has been a crazy start to the week. I hope the rest of the week is just as insane. Roman, I see that we're zooming in here, but we still have a couple more minutes. We can go back to the charts. It's all good. It sounded like I was about to close out, didn't it? But we still have a couple more minutes. So if you guys have any last minute questions, throw them in the chat. I will quickly get to them. Still holding on to a long from 27,400. Nice. Very nice. I mean, why not just hold on to these longs till all-time highs? Why not? If you guys are in positions to go break even, definitely do that if you've been holding. But for me, I'm just going to let this run. Lucky Mon, you're the best. Thank you. You guys are the best. Honestly, you guys are the goats. This is why we do it. This is why we show up every single day. When are you coming for dinner? Jimmy, do what? Never. All right. Yes, we got to close this out. We're 1 minute away. But chat, it has been a pleasure today. We have had some W's in the stream. I hope you guys took those W's with us. If you did a W2 or put a W in the chat, actually, speaking of W's, put a W chat if you love the stream. Put an L in the chat, of course, as we always say, if you really hated it. But I hope you didn't, because we smashed a viewer goal that we have not had on here, I think, ever before, or maybe once before we've had 1,000 viewers. But today was a momentous day for Tradeify TV. Yes, we will always remember this date, 27th of April. And let's hope tomorrow, the rest of the week, we can keep smashing like goals. We will continue to give giveaways here, so make sure you rock up tomorrow. I will be here 7 a.m. open as usual for the Frankfurt Open, just for the first hour solo, and Nick will be here with me, joining me as usual for the 2 hours of the London session open. Love you guys. Thanks for your support. Thanks for the fun. We always have a laugh in the chat. Make sure you guys are subscribed also, so you can chat with us tomorrow and the rest of the week. And 8:30 for the New York stream. Make sure you're there. Make sure you don't miss out. Spudnik will be there for the 8:30, and the rest of the team will follow. So thanks again. I will see you guys. Have a safe and happy rest of your evening, day, wherever you are in the world. And I will see you guys tomorrow, 7 a.m. See you there.